Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of my mind, it comes a win a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Yeah, that's Mixup, people. Large up on yourself. It's all about a Mixup party Friday and the sitting there. Greetings, Mixup and Blenda crew. Greetings, Tambourine family. Greetings, Tambourine nation. Hey, shake the tambourine, shake the tambourine, shake the tambourine. Walk out, step out, snap your finger, turn your road, turn off the crosses, turn off the crosses, turn off the dirty nigga, them and the crosses, them. Yeah, but we say laugh, learn and grow. And we say a thick skin and broad back and do it. Lot upon yourself, people. Welcome to a Mix-Up Party Friday and thing. Yo, class time. Big up the Mixopology University. You understand? The University of Mixopology. I saw the thing said. Yo, Jamaica the present. But of course, yo, when I hear me talk it all the time, you know. Anybody live at Jamaica on board, at them on board. Me say, yo, when you hear that, I want to listen to the man up film sitting here. I will heap of sit there come out of that, you know. Whole heap of thing come out of that, people. Whole heap of thing. And the more me hear, the more me keep back and me say, and them people have problem with me when me I talk about sort out and all them something there, whatever, like, and me. Like the biggest problem in Jamaica is me. Me just quietly keep back and watch the runnings, you know, people. Who never listen to things them too. And hear what I go down. Because a whole heap of sitting there come out. One thing do. Mixocrats, yarders, everybody. I am imploring you to pay attention to this one thing. Let me just say it real quickly and done. A whole heap of sitting there come out of this man at Phelps and whatever, Philip sitting, you know. But again, this is just my opinion, you can disagree. I think perhaps the most critical thing will come out of it that we should all be concerned about is this whole phone thing here. Apparently, sometime in 2004, 2005, the then administration, well, we can't say the administration because it wasn't the government, but we understand that the then Minister of National Security, the then Honorable Peter Phillips, signed a memorandum of understanding with the United States, essential representatives from the United States government and the United Kingdom government, England, which basically give them authority to spy, and that word was used, spy, on the phone calls of Jamaican citizens. We never know about this. We don't know about the details associated with it as citizens of the country. The impression is given that it was mainly to acquire intelligence, and remember the word intelligence, that is most people term for information, and people engaging in criminal activities. Now, that is simpler said than done. We don't know who is running the thing. We don't know who monitor it. We don't know what kinds of safeguards are put in place to ensure that whatever information is acquired is in fact protected. We don't know how they go about determining who a phone call must listen to. I mean, what we want to understand, we need to know, for example, if when a lawyer A lawyer is speaking to his or her client. We need to know if the terms of the agreement on this thing allow them to spy on that conversation, that by law, in terms of lawyer-client privilege, none one is supposed to spy on that. We don't know. But just give you an example of how serious this thing is. We need to know if when you attack it, some people may say, but Raga, this is for criminals. People, over and over again, them things that come out, and you're frightened to know, because they exist in secrecy, because they exist behind the scene, because they exist in a world where we don't even know about. Powerful people start to abuse these things. You're having private conversations with your doctor, your lawyer, and people are listening, you don't even know so that I go on. We don't know the extent to which the respective agencies are allowed to secretly spy on the conversations of the citizens of Jamaica. Peter Phillips, former Minister of National Security, was queried on the matter, and he informed the people that he is off the island and presently unable and has chosen not to speak on it yet because he is slated to address the commission. I am imploring you, Jamaica, and there's a bunch of other things I could have said, but I not say. God, they're frightened me when them fly down for me and sue. Yeah, the Dodos thing are that them depend. Man at Phelps and Phillips is that them depend. But listen, this one here is very, very critical. Because as far as I know, this is unprecedented. And for those who love the laugh thing and the mix-up thing, I am asking a latitude here. Just bear with me while, I try to impress upon you how critical this thing is. The person, remember, the Prime Minister automatically holds the office of Minister of Defense. But we always have a Minister of National Security. That person is responsible for the security of the people. And what we're hearing here is that a private, behind-the-scenes agreement was made between the National Security Minister and representative from the U.S. and British government. We are hearing that the rest of the government never know about this agreement. I wonder if we realize how serious this thing is. When I listen, I say, no, sir, I must be anybody, I'm an idiot or something. There is something here I'm not understanding. Follow me, people. We are hearing that this agreement was made between the National Security Minister representing the country and the rest, and the U.S. and the United States and British government. And we are here, so the rest of the government, not only we the citizens don't know about it, the rest of the government don't know about it. We're hearing that apparently the Drug Enforcement Agency or some agency from the United States gave $3.2 million US to put in the necessary mechanisms that will allow them to spy on any phone call that them want to spy on, affiliated with Digicel and what was then Cable and Wireless, what is now called Lime. People, anybody who understands how important information is, how information is used in, we're living in a time that people refer to as the information age, the digital age. This is very serious, people. Very, very serious. I don't want to just blow after one and get apathetic for the one and just feel like so whatever. Remember, again, what we are told, like me dying for Peter Phillips talk, people want to better listen to Peter Phillips when they talk, because on the welfare is very important with this matter here. So when Peter Phillips talk and them give him the question, them I want to listen carefully because there has to be some good explanation for this thing, why it occurred on the level that it did and the way that it did. Because me still try to wrap my head around it. The Minister of National Security allow agents and spies, people they use that term, spies, to spy on private citizens of the country without the approval of Parliament, and the people don't know about it. The person responsible for our security, we are told, gave permission to foreign agents to spy on private citizens of Jamaica, and we don't know that that permission was given. You talk privately about a little thing regarding Uncle so-and-so and when him did involve in you talk to your lawyer and all them and you don't even know if somebody will listen to you. We don't even know how the something work. Very, very serious, people. Very, very serious. And I appreciate the patience to make me talk when I want that. But at the part there, the only thing grab me attention and I follow it. I have a particular brand on the show, a Mixup, me say, it's Mixup Entertainment, so we laugh and care be foolishness over here. So that's our thing. But rest assured, I read extensively and I pay attention to matters of current affairs, matters and whatever. I'm following up what's going on in Egypt, doing all kinds of stuff. Oh, that's generally me. But this is the one where grabbed me. This is the one where grabbed me. Because, it speaks to what is the definition of sovereignty. We're a sovereign state. What's the definition of independence and thing and whatever? Why, I don't know. We see what God do, but we wait till Peter Phillips forward and make theme talk on the matter and thing. But anyway, it's a mix-up party Friday, same way that we just want to just come in, we don't mix up them and sit there. Large up on yourself, people can Parliament get up people and because we're very get up on a show without apology. Big up all the tens of thousands of Jamaicans who listen to the show. By the way, people, why? Some people contact me and say, members of the media, I call them and ask them things about me. Apparently, big story. Somebody I look for a big story for write about me. Write it. My life is an open book. We're not write it. We're not afraid of people. Okay, people, it's about 13 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for us to shut out with...
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus. Then anything really can go so. And for our true story, can you believe it? Today we are in the country of Switzerland. Switzerland, again in Western Europe. And the title for this one today is Stiff Sentence. Stiff Sentence. Make with they pop in the mix up because that was upon a show. A former prisoner is suing jail bosses in Bern, Switzerland, claiming that their negligence caused them to suffer from impotency. 46-year-old Hans Bowman claims warders laughed at him when he begged for medical help over a permanent erection that left him in agony. He now says that since the incident, he hasn't been able to maintain an erection at all. Nothing works anymore, Bowman claims in legal papers. I was in so much pain. I kept calling the emergency bell, but nobody helped me. I only got to see a doctor days later, he added. Prison service spokeswoman said, we provided medical attention. Our prisoners have access to medical attention. Patuano, people, worry each brother here. Him in a prison. Him in a prison. And him instrument stand up and would not go down. And him instrument just up till it a kill him. You understand? Him get that thing where we men call blue. The next word start with B. Cannot say it on radio. All right? him a claim say, because the warders them in the prison, it just a laugh off of him. And never really make him go get medical attention. And that the medical attention was only afforded to him several days later. He's saying that since that incident, and I quote from him, nothing works anymore. In other words, he must say since him get that hell of a stand, when wouldn't go down and medical attention never reach him. Him say from after the medical reach him days after again, him cannot stand up anymore. And because of that, he must sue the prison. Of course, we can, debate the merits or the demerits of his lawsuit. But, of course, the first question I know most I want to ask is, if you mean a prison, and you know from man in a prison, I be man in a prison. How we manage to get that erection we just wouldn't go down and turn up chat. And wait him see. Emily.
Huh?
Emily, I want to go out there, so.
Maybe he saw a cheerleader.
No, man. If him something just fly up and stay up and can't come down, so in a prison him there and thing and wouldn't go down. Up for days and sitting and thing and whatever. You can't imagine all the water, what the man call the water them now. I said, water. Call the doctor for me, bring me go sick there. Water say for what? This.
Y'all not selling and make a roommate no.
Whoa.
You know my favorite song? Get up, stand up for your right.
Stand up for your right. No, but the man in a prison, man,
Yeah.
I don't know. No, let's be honest, though, Anybody will know, all man know and some woman know to
That
say,
every morning.
man, I'm more time without sleep and wake up and the other fella they just decide to stand up on the moon and in our own world.
Mm-hmm.
We know that. But all man who in that position there. Only know when we experience involuntary standing up. It got on after a while.
Mm-hmm.
Because nothing really did it to sustain our inspiration, if you know what I mean. And things. So for him get that and it's still, I don't know, Sam. I don't know. What? Me not. Now, make we ask the question straight. What do you think him get?
There's a possibility. I mean, them say that like a living farm once they're on a certain thing for a while, you adapt. So, we don't know.
No, well, we don't know. No, we hear the argument there, no.
Yeah,
So
adapt
both
to
women and men that wants them in a prison for years and then,
Yeah.
somebody call. If them never go that way, then them start look for all somebody. I wonder if, yeah, we hear about that. But we all know that at the end of the day, if you're gay, you're gay. If you're down gay, you're down gay.
Yeah.
And we know that whole heap of people they are prison who not gay and them there for years and still not do nothing gay. Yeah,
That's true, yeah.
No, but me I say, what is interesting about film situation is the strength of the strength.
No, days.
Yeah, how am I hold it so long? No, man, somebody. No, but it could be that in India, I think about woman too, that can't happen to you.
Yeah.
Because they're allowed magazines and all these things, you understand? So, it could be that in India, I look for two Playboy or a Hustler magazine or something. I'm just all a member, I'm girl. You understand? But, boy, all man who have been in this position know what go on. He must have been in serious pain. Because, you see, that thing don't make me stay up no hours, without release, Yeah, man, you get a piece. Anybody, when we young and Michelle, you know what go on. When we young and go through puberty and we start see the hot girl, them, but, in a high school, first farm, second farm, and you get your little strength and whatever, this and that, and, getting a release. Pain reach, man. Serious pain. So he must have dead for you. But I don't
Him
know.
rise to the wrong occasion, man.
Yes. No, but you hear the second line in that Sizzler song, this so Rise to the occasion. Look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you.
I'm right. That's why I'm a soon now.
It's so you.
No, sir.
I don't think you have a credible case if you sue the state, though. Unless he was suffering from a specific ailment that could have been treated, by the medical personnel, and that, based upon their failure to do so, that specific ailment or that specific malady caused the impotency, the permanent impotency. Unless that can be proven, I don't think he has a credible case right here. I think him just go off on the whim. All right, gentlemen, I don't know, say it's a Friday. Mix up party Friday night this time, and this is about the time when we get up inside of Hot One News! Yo. Ow. Part 1 news today, coming up in Part 1 news today, 7 Jamaican women get arrested in Trinidad for vulgar dancing. Bounty Hammer case get dropped. Lisa Hyper for sign up with Solid Agency. And you for kick out students who don't pay them school fee by February 7th. Them a story and many more coming up in a Part 1 news. And now the news. People, one piece of excitement last week in a Denham Town, West Kingston, when them go catch 3 men in a them early 20s, palm bed, a sweat like hog, a sweat and just a sweat so, like them did just don't do some crazy sort out, cause 2 of them did start by naked, and the next one did only in a underpants. The residents of Denham Town did get so heated about the matter, that them did have to give them a proper beating. But when them take a stop, the 3 men them did have gun. So them did have to chill and bill. And the youth them family have to help them take with themselves from the community. Oh, what Jesus. Gunman, gear man. Next, police in Trinidad arrested and charged 7 Jamaican women over there because them say them did up on stage at one hotel, a broke out and a dance and a galan bad. The woman them go court and the judge ordered them to pay $250 or go and bill in a jail for a week. Them did go Trinidad 2 months ago to learn wire bending. So them could have come back a yard and do them own thing. Them say yes, them did a broke out and a go and bad, but them never naked. And woman from the Dominican Republic, woman from Peru, and woman from Colombia did get arrested too. So on the see what going, Trinidad arrest women from other nations because they are dancing in a way that Trinidadian officials consider inappropriate. Is this the same Trinidad where we see a fling up and a dash it out in a carnival? Is this the same Trinidad where bust the X-rated dancing in the Caribbean? Trinidad bust it before dancehall bust it, Why, jackass of the world on the level. Anyway. Next. 5-star General Bounty Killer get free up from the Hammer charge where one woman did bring against him from last year, September. The woman and her lawyer never forward a court, so the judge threw out the case. The woman did tell the police that the warlord beat her up with a hammer, wicked. So she did have to go doctor and get a whole heap of stitches. Veteran broadcaster Basil Bagger Brown died on Saturday after fighting with bone cancer for a while now. Everybody's supposed to know Bagger Brown from his popular Vox Pop show when him What You Say on TVJ. He was also an MC for stage shows and even one insurance salesman. I am so versatile. The University of the West Indies cinema gives the students them want to pay up them school fee until February 7th for do just that, or them are going to get kicked out of the school. You will say that them under pressure Because them now get the financial assistance from the government again with funding for the school, not the same amount of money. So any somebody will want to go you have to go prove to them so that them can afford the fee before them are going to accept them. That was part 1 news. A weekly roundup for some of the passa news them. We're going in our Jamaica. Catch me next Friday. Same time for another update. Part 1 news. All right, people, we're up in nice sitting now. We're up in nice sitting now. All right, we have some email here where we want to shut up before we take the break and then go to the phone line. On the know, so we're up on pregnancy mix-up, or any other sample mix-up. First email, Ragamua, you big up the policeman, we're going to sleep with our next policeman wife. And when him done sort out, him drop asleep, and the husband come in and catch him. The husband take time, tiptoe, and take him gun from under the pillar and stick him up. The bonner man catch him afraid and run out and run go police station in a brief and tell him say him need a gun cause Tief broke in him house. Him all call family in a night and say Tief broke in the house. Yeah, Raga, big up to you. I really enjoy your show. The other day when the young ladies called and contradict his biggest argument, I was totally in agreement with her because I had an aunt that died after giving birth to a stillborn. The doctor had said the baby died inside her 4 days before she gave birth and it poisoned her body. Raga, she died 18 days after that. So I was quite mystified with biggest argument. This is from Anne-Marie, but Anne-Marie, as you're well aware, we also had several counter-arguments that supported Biggie's allegations. Next email, Raga, big up to the man. We have 2 baby born on the same day from 2 different women. Hey, next email, Raga, I want to big up the idiot girl. We live in a community. We're going to dash it out upon a man. And before the sort out go on, the man show her $10,000 and tell her to take any amount she want. And when she take $5,000, the man watch the pocket where the money I go in and take it out back after the sort out done when the girl now look. Next email, as I heard you talking about sort out and watch, I remember this. The bearer at my office came in one day, hopping and one of his eyes swollen. His explanation is that a bee flew in his helmet and stung him in his eyes, and he fell off the bike and hurt his leg. About 2 weeks after he came in and told us that, his friend went to a woman's house, and while sorting out in a certain position, the woman's man came in and grabbed him from behind by his testicles and dragged him outside and beat him. We then realized that it was him that it happened to and not any friend. We take a little break now, people. We'll be right back, and when we do so, we're going straight to the phone line for some Sheldon mix-up. Soon forward.
A mix-up and blender time. I want to call and talk of the team.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the same thing. I wish a Mixup and Blender Street. It's all about Mixup entertainment right here. So we have the Tambourine. Don't remember when you call it, if we hear any bully nice back of you around you, or if we hear a radio or TV or whatever, we're going to cut you off. Again, if we hear radio or TV, we're going to cut you off. I just saw the thing said. You understand? And don't call about the name. We are deep up one in the mix up them. You understand? And don't use the information where we can readily identify who you attack. We don't want you use any information where even though you don't call them name, we know exactly who you attack. You see it? When you use code, you must learn from second back. Code we say, all right? Here we go to the phone line right now. Send on the first call, pregnancy mix-up or any other Sheldon mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raga.
Whoa.
Hello?
Yeah, talk up now.
Yeah, I just want to big up the girl because she's pregnant.
Not a good start. Here we go again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Raga.
Yeah.
Tambourine to the flipping world. Big up the policeman from a certain police station who left his wife with one little dwarf woman and I 3 pin. He left his wife with 1 and take up a man with 3. and I'm struggling in life now. And maybe one back in wife.
In left him wife with 1 Pickney and go take up a dwarf woman with 3 Pickney?
Yeah.
Okay. And that police station is in Kingston or something?
Yes, in Kingston.
All right. Now say a word here, bless you.
All right.
All right. Okay, here we go again. Good afternoon. Hello. Mixup, we say hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Why may I give thanks, things nice?
Things sweet. Anyway, Raga,
goes.
I'm coming to tell you something. I have a big crush on somebody.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to know it's who?
Sure.
Vibes Cartel.
You have a big crush on Vibes Cartel.
Raga, may I tell him I can't stop thinking about him. Me eat cartel, sleep cartel, breathe cartel, may I tell you. Me
For real?
love
A real
him.
thing you tell me?
Huh?
A real thing you tell me? Why
Yeah,
you
man,
love Vibes Cartels?
listen, work at the airport, right? And every time I pass, me see him. And one time he come in here and hug me, and I tell you, say, my body just shake.
Man.
Yeah, I learn him laugh.
Tambourine. Well, do the Vibes Cartel laugh again. Do the Vibes Cartel laugh again. Man. Then tell me something. How deep is this crush now? How deep is this crush?
Right, I tell you, say, it deep. I almost get in trouble with my boyfriend one time because, all right, we were supposed to go on a beach party in Ochi.
Yeah.
And Cartel was performing there, was supposed to perform there. And we never get figure because some mix-up, so we never get figure. So anyway, now my dear woman, I watch it on the TV, I'm start to get excited, and I say, look, Pan Cartel, we should have done it. Some boyfriend tell her, look, Pan me and say, if you buck up Cartel, then give me a piece, though. I tell her, say, Raga, me just shot me, with it, because I can't lie to my boyfriend, I can't lie to him. So I just laugh.
So you just, your boyfriend look on your reaction to Cartel and say, then you look like if you buck him up, you'd have give him a piece.
Yeah.
You'd have give him a piece, don't.
Yeah.
And you said, because you couldn't tell him lie,
We just laugh.
you just laugh. So what that means? So you'd have give Cartel a piece. You can't see yourself asleep with Cartel, no?
Probably. Because, you know, I tell him already one time I seen someone I like to test the 10-speed bicycle. So,
Okay, you'd have like to know what it is like to sleep
yes.
with him, no? Oh, okay.
But
Then-
you know,
yes.
anytime I always see him pass through airport, I always see you too. I will call to you, just hold your head straight and say, your flight, I left you.
No, man, that's not true. That's not true.
Yeah.
That. Oh, me think me know I wish by you work now then. No. What you need to understand, All right, two things. I'm going to be honest with you. You see when I go to airport, anyhow, you see, you know airport set up already.
You was on the flight ever left for the one I'm run, so...
No, man, what
happened?
All right, hold on. Don't you see me at airport regularly, right?
Yeah.
All right. You see, when we did it, I'm going to be honest with you, it can be very taxing, It's like, it can take we an hour. Because somewhere would that take we 5 minutes. You understand?
Yeah.
But when each person has stopped, each person thinks that at them just has stopped you for 5 minutes. What I'm not know is that, right through, you just get stop all the time and thing. And then sometimes we really move fast for through, But you see which part you there, if I remember correctly, is that store, right?
Yeah, man.
All right. Come here and pick up now. You see, by the time we reach up this door, we really shot it to the flight.
Yeah. But
Right, by the time we reach where you there, we shot it to the flight. Yeah, man. No, man, I tell you, man. By the time we were you there, by the time we reach there, so most artists reach there, so I straight to the flight, them and them we have.
Yeah.
Honestly. We're not lie. So I don't know disrespect here.
Yeah, man,
But
I know
so
that still. I know that time,
Yo, so well, you don't really dash it out, get the Gaza King.
What you mean, man? I didn't bleach out face, Mike. Hey, I don't even know if it's a stunted. I
What
love
about him
him.
bleach out? What about him bleach out face?
In bleach out face, I say one, man. It's
Bleach
cool.
out face, I say one.
It's cool. Listen, me not in the bleaching thing, but you see, a film thing that me there read the paper, and him say, he wouldn't stop bleach when the foreign people them stop the breast implant. You did read the paper at the star?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the wrong in Panda, because then just the funny man, I pressure, man. The people that want them one bag of Botox and them breast implants and them something there. Them not say nothing to them people. So must just leave them alone, a film thing that.
Oh, Zane. But so you're saying you're not the bleaching thing, but you just love film. You just love cartel bleach out.
Yeah, I love it finding this black and the dark ear pan head.
You what that? What?
Fan this black and have ear pan head.
You love him Valentine, and you still love him now?
Yeah, man, I'm an artist, man. I rate him.
Okay, all right. So, you know, a cartel is a man love when the woman them do the things. So you don't do the things them with him?
No, Raga.
Not talk it truth. Just talk it
No,
truth.
Raga.
No, hold on. Between me and you, right? If you know, and you know it's a cartel, talk, and you know say him not tell nobody, right? And him just say, your baby in the privacy, since we go shot the thing right here. So like,
Raga, me not
you
think
try
the
that.
cartel
Hold
have
on,
no
man.
private room.
Hold on, man. And cartel say, yo, just try that little thing for me, because I like it, you know? And thing, you know? Talk you got you. And man just say, try it little bit, you know?
No, Raga, no, me not. We don't trust him.
You don't trust him?
No, me don't trust him to do that. This is the startup party. Yeah, but to do that, no.
Oh, you don't trust him because
No,
you don't know whether the picture might end up.
Phone and them things. I mean, I want to think of video me and some headset sideways.
Oh. Tambourine! What you say? You don't want him to video yet? But you know the headset tweet. Oh, you know something. Oh, you know, can you see it? No. So basically, I say you don't trust him.
I have read.
You have read. Okay.
Yes, I have read.
We understand. Don't say another word. All right, baby. Blessings and respect here.
Yeah, man. Cool, Raga. I love you, Tom. I love your shine, Ed.
Not say a word, man. Blessings and respect, man.
Later,
Cool.
I'm pick up my boyfriend.
Man.
I love him still, you know. I can't tell him name.
Who?
Nesta.
All right. Not say a word here.
Yeah, man. All right, cool.
Bless up. Okay, here we go to the phone line again. Pregnancy Mixup or any other shell down Mixup. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello, Raga.
Yeah.
Big up to the policeman, you see, where make him wife sell your ring. And because I use the money, film part-time money, make sheet in girlfriend when don't live with.
When say big up to the policeman when make him wife sell which ring?
Our wedding band.
Our wedding band. And then what him do?
Use the money and buy material to make sheet for woman when don't live with.
And then use the money buy material to make sheet for the woman when him live with now?
Yeah.
Where the backside, yeah. So wait, him and the woman, him and him wife divorced?
No.
But them separate?
I am the wife.
You are the wife?
Yeah.
Then, so when they separate, you and him not there again?
No.
So all you know, Sam use the money buy sheet for the woman.
Because of me make the sheet.
What? So wait, him go buy cloth for make the sheet and then give you the cloth for make the sheet?
Yeah, I mean make the sheet because I'm sorry for them. If you can't let
why you
your
sorry
wife with a nice king size bed where you know come from nothing and take up a woman with 3 kids when I no father and you have to see your part-time wedding band money and make sheet yeah. You even worse than she, me have to feed 2 of them.
All right, you and your husband not divorced. Him is a police officer.
Yes.
But him there with the next woman now, right?
Number 5.
Him left. Eh?
Him mistress number 5.
Him what?
Mistress number 5. And number 5
okay, so she a number 5 on the list.
Yeah.
All right, so him move out and go live with she.
Mm-hmm.
You have any youth for him? You have any youth with him?
1.
You have 1 youth with him.
Yeah.
So him move out and go live with she and she have 3 Pickney and don't know the father and whatever. Yeah. And then him live with she and then him ask.
Father. Between them father and mind them and the 9-year-old father dead.
Okay. So him come to you now and ask you for sell the wedding band. What you wanna
no,
wedding
me
ring?
wanted because me never had a work and him a go away. So me say, all right, me want a pair of shoes because me look for work. And him say, me say, me sell it. And he say, okay, tell you give me my part-time money. I want me give him part-time money. He say, him buy material with him and pay me $4,000 to make a sheet here.
Him buy the material for the sheet and pay you $4,000 to make
Yeah.
the sheet. That just sounds so weird. Is he down to live? Is he down to live good, or no crazy?
No, we're crazy. No, me
crazy.
love
Oh.
the man, you know. At 12 years, me
Eh.
tell the man I'm Martin to 10, you know.
Eh.
And him just decides to when we meet him a virgin and he want to go explore.
When you met him, he was a virgin.
Yes.
So are you taking virginity?
Oh, yes.
But you weren't a virgin.
No, dear.
So you was the only woman him know.
Yeah.
So you and him did that for 12 years and married 10 out of the 12.
Mm-hmm.
Him is a Christian?
So him did say.
So him was a Christian.
Mm.
So when you say him reach a point and now when him
He
want
want
to
to
find out
explore.
how him want to go explore.
Yeah.
No?
So me say okay, because me go counseling and never help. Because he passed and that. He passed and said, if I not get beaten, everything all right.
Okay.
So,
All right.
Mr. Alright, me want to know what's wrong with me. And me think come with number one have 3 Pickney. I don't live now with number 2 have 1 Pickney. I don't go in at number 3 because I wanted to know what was wrong with me. And him just move out with number 5 now she man 1 week after me.
Listen, nothing wrong with you. Don't worry yourself. But respect for the mix-up, though. We're going to shot some other one. But nothing wrong with you, here. All
Nothing
right,
wrong with
blessings
me
here.
like that. Yeah.
You're good like that. Now worry yourself. Buy your shoes and go shell down the place and find somebody else too. All right, bless up. Here we go. Next, give me our next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Talk up.
This is my first time calling.
All right.
Um,
What's up?
I want to talk about my sister and her ex-boyfriend now. Apparently last night she was by his house. No, yesterday evening she was by his house. And,
Right.
you know, she was, his place, so she's looking around. I guess from a couple weeks before, she had this feeling about something going on with him. Because about 7 months before, she found out that he have a baby mother while, he got somebody pregnant while in a relationship. So she forgave him about that and everything. But she still have a feeling even months after now. So she was at his house. And then it's like he went outside and she started to search the place. And in a corner, she find this bag with brassiere and underwear, like, and clothes and ear gel and stuff like that. So she said when he came now, she was like, what woman stuff at in her house and my something. And it was like, oh, him and the girl in a nothing. She don't stop bother him. But my sister was like, where stuff I do here? And he must say, she come to use the computer. So my sister was like, we are telling people bring clothes to come use computer.
No, people bring panty and brassiere and ear gel for come use computer. Go on, talk.
So anyway, he left her and went to work. So she said, no man, you have to do something. So she got a piece of paper and wrote a note and was saying that this is so-and-so woman. I saw your clothes in his house and I want to know why your clothes is here. Here is my number. She wrote her number. My sister wrote her number and said, I want to know what's going on. So
cut out that name there. Cut out that name. All right, we cut out. No, but that's right. We cut out the name.
Sorry.
We cut it out.
The girl said, is this so-and-so? And she said, my sister said yes. And she was like, so what are you saying now? So my sister said, you can't read. You never see when I say on the paper. She said, no, she can't read. Then my sister said, but lady, if you say you can't read, then you call and say my name and you say you can't read. She said, some people only know their name. So my sister said, oh, so I saw your name. She said, no. Then my sister said, but then you call and I call me and ask me, I want, and I already write everything on the paper for you. I call and start talking. Anyway.
Yeah, and then what?
She,
I guess the phone hang up. Him call back now because I guess the girl did it at his house and say, why my sister go to that point. It's like him a take up for the girl. And, you know, and my sister was like, don't ever call back my number. But he's saying that, you know, it's like him must say him not do nothing wrong. I mean, you think he did something wrong?
If me, no. You have to ask.
I mean, I don't know. He's saying that
you have to ask. No, hold on. You see, if you ask, then him never do nothing wrong. You see, if it's obvious, then him do something wrong.
Okay.
Right? And it depends on how you define wrong or whatever this and that. So what your sister going to do now?
No, man, she left him, man. She because she was stuck. She have this older man that was interested in her, but because of him, she never really wanted to do nothing. But now she's saying that him and her not together now, so she could just go on to the older man.
How much older?
She's like 20, and he's like 40 something.
40 something. That's not older. That's not older. But that's not older.
Yes.
When in a Jamaican terms, you know, so you say older, you talk about them 20-year-old woman who there with them 68-year-old man and 70-year-old man, which is quite common in a Jamaica now. But anyway, blessings here.
Yeah, okay.
Take care. Why some man have it nice, you know, because if I some get a woman and come home, you know, and go see bag with all panty and brassiere and gel and all them things in them man house. Hey, that turnover. Here we go. Good afternoon. Pregnancy mix-up or any other sample mix-up. Pregnancy mix-up or any other sample mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to pick up the wife. We get pregnant for one next woman husband in my area, in a nearby Spanish town. And
Yeah.
Yeah, but next mix-up again, I just want to pick up the wife to get pregnant. She live with her husband, the wife live with her husband, but she gets pregnant for her next husband who live with two wives in the same area. So I just want to pick them up.
But how she knows she are the next husband breeder?
Well, I don't know how she know, but everybody know. I think everybody know. Because it's all fiction.
But me I say, everybody know. What did she say? How she know for a fact she know her husband breeder and other woman husband breeder?
Yes, she know rather.
Okay. Which part of Spanish town? Just the area.
Oh, not so good, damn it, man.
Damn it. Don't say another word. Good, damn it. Right before you go down the road, you go to Frat Bridge, the upper side. Anyway, what the next mix-up?
I'm going to pick up the girl. No, I tell you about a mix-up right now. She's pregnant for 9 months ago. And she go hospital, she go clinic straight. I don't know how she did or what kind of problem I want, but she go clinic straight. She never did have a menstrual for 9 months or whatever, something for 9 months. And she and the man there, and she said the man was pregnant. And when she needs to have baby, then get a date to have baby. She wash clothes, put online, rather, and saying something the nighty and chimneys and nappy, and she have whole heap of baby clothes, rather, whole heap, because she have it like that, she have the baby clothes, but she never know how much to grow out or something else she have in her belly. I went to the start and no baby no come, no baby no come. So
no baby no come?
No,
so what? And she did have belly all this time. The belly did that grow too?
Yeah, a belly big man, and she just look like pregnant woman and something, and act like pregnant woman seeing there.
And when she go to hospital and a baby no come, of course them give her an explanation. And what was the explanation?
She said she have goat. She said she have goat. That was the explanation. She have goat.
Goat.
But they never see it at the clinic. I don't know she did wrong, but I know she did it real something and tell her make up story. And people know about it, then can call in and confirm it too.
So hold on. And she come from Damage too?
Yes, sir.
No, but when I said the whole time she go hospital and doctors and nurses are related to her. You said for the 9 months, none of them never know no baby never in her belly.
I don't know, but she said she's pregnant and she just straight out and the baby father support her too. Because like my man come with the place and, you know, she and the man and parents something, and the man not get no picnic and things. So the man glad to and happy and she go clean trees. And the mean to say she have a clinic. So just stop, she have, you know, and she go hospital, road, she have, them push you to the operation or something like that.
No, what I am very uncomfortable about is hearing all these stories, and it makes you wonder what exactly is going on with our medical personnel in the country, how qualified they are, what kind of treatment are our pregnant women getting from our medical personnel, if it is quite common, fairly common, that women are suffering from these things, them have these conditions, and some of our medical personnel don't know, them don't see it, them don't tell them. How the hell can a woman be going to clinic for 9 months and them a treat her pregnancy for 9 months, I treat the belly for 9 months, and then on the day of reckoning, when she have the picnic, at that time them a say, but wait, the picnic not come. Oh, my girl, I go out here. What the backside here tell me say? So what kind of treatment our pregnant women are getting? And with all due respect, some people are going to vex. But if you go Andrews Hospital, or you go Natal Hospital, and you spend your good money on go medical, you don't get them type of treatment here. It's only poor people them thing you happen. It's only get a woman them thing most of them thing you happen to. What kind of treatment them I get? This is cause for serious concern. We have heard, and you're not the first one that I call in and I cry here about them things and I walk on, you know.
Mm-hmm.
This is frightening because the same way them make them type of mistake, that same way they can make mistake when kill off the pit them and kill off the woman, the man. Who for tell one walk on out there? No, sir, no, you know, right, but anyway, respect for the mix-up anyway, here.
Yes, sir.
Blessing. Now people up when they get to me and say, I don't understand this, that them thing happen so often out there.
The general
don't call
will
any...
decide them.
All right, then just
and him want
just
him
give it
Raga. Then they stop near me mouth and near mouth that him want some clothes, him even him want shoes and him want suit.
Okay, you mean the artist?
Yeah, the artist. I can't stand. Hello?
So where you on him, man? What you do, chick? I just call it look like you just calling for done him. Where you on him?
Raga, I can't stand him. He make the girl come with us a clowny mouth, so a clowny that Raga, I'm a sorry for him. She treat him like a little follic. I can't even explain.
She treat him like a little what? Voila. She treat him like a little what?
A little mortgage.
No, a while ago, did you say follicle?
Yeah. Like someone low and smaller than she. And she not up
to never hear that yet. Me never hear that she treat him like a little follicle.
So
yeah.
One day lady come in early, right?
Yeah.
And him tell the girl to go on her back, right? So the girl on her back now. You know, she left her underwear into bed. And her phone on the bed, right?
And her phone on the bed and underwear under the bed, yeah.
Look on bed. Hello?
Yeah.
The girl look on into bed. And the girl said, hold on. How are this? Who for panty this? And the man said, that's cool, man. I'm buy one panty girl. So she smelled the panty and she said, so hold on there. Oh yeah, this a panty I just buy and this just stink. You know?
Yeah.
And he start beat her up and kick her down and she ball out and she scream, you know?
When him start beat her?
Yeah, start beat her up. Cutlass draw, stone a thing. Yeah. Pure madness.
Okay. And I mix up that.
Yeah, man.
Okay. All right, respect for that one. Yeah, man, blessing. Yo, give me a quick mix up there. Hello, good afternoon, hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
May I have one for you about one of your friend them.
Yeah. Talk up.
Me meet him. Me meet him. One of them people, enter the host. He's a friend. I guess, me look good and, and everything. So, one of them friend them know a fight. Told him I find out which one of them to buy me drinks. So me say, me know him. So me say, let me choose him. So me say, him me pick, man, and him me pick. Then I will drink, we dance, and everything. So me say, I'm ready. So, you know, we are...
Don't describe the car. Go on, talk.
So, I say, all right, man. You know, me I listen and I try to be attentive and so on. Anyway, him, rather than I go my way to my home, him turn and say him want to show me where him live. I say, all right. I mean, all right. So, we got to him place and him want to show me
That, go to that part there. Go on, talk.
place and so on. So, go upstairs. Then watch.
Hold on. You see, you cut out that part a while ago. Don't say anything where we can.
Okay.
Go on. Yeah.
Okay. So.
Yeah, all right.
We go upstairs and, you know, we're talking. I'm on the bed and so on. And then, you know, he's there and till him just suggest something, you know, the, you call it swiping? Yes. And I'm like, I was like, I don't know, but I was like, no, man.
Hold on. We have forgot to do. You sure you want to finish that mix up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yes. He's your friend.
I put me in an awkward position. Well, I'm going to read the news. I will come back to you. Here, what's so called? Read the news. A news time.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk of the things
Yeah, man. Welcome back up in our something. We still have a call or the call I get cut off? We still have a call?
I'm here.
Oh, you're there. Okay, go on, talk.
Yes. So, it's okay to say swiping.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So, he suggested that. So I was like, no, man. But I'm say, no, you know what? You know, I'm going to enjoy myself. And, you know, he swiping took place, and then it was, you know, it wasn't good. You know, it wasn't good. So I was, you know, I got mad and I was like, you know, I'm ready to go home. And he was so...
Why you said the swiping never good?
No, man, he wants some more practice. The technique no proper at all.
Okay.
And I was like, you know, I'm ready. And he was so surprised, or, you know, I kind of push him off. I said, I'm ready. And he was like, yeah. And from that moment I pushed him off, even walk into the car, got into the car, he didn't even look me in the face or anything. Till when he drove me home, and he was looking down, and I was like, and I got kind of push up his face, and I was like, you know, everything cool, man, everything cool. I was, you know, telling him that everything good, man. And he's like, you sure? I'm saying, yeah, man, everything good. And from that day, every time
when you say look down, what you mean?
I mean that he wasn't giving me direct eye contact, you know?
What you mean? Him did she him because you say you want to leave
I guess
and
because I push him off or something.
Okay.
So from that day, every time he sees me, he's like, him have to say something to me. You know, he would see me today and like, oh, hi, you know, I don't have your number and you can give it to me. And he see me next week and he would say the same thing. And I'm wondering why. But I guess if him find somebody where I live, so he doesn't know that I always see him. You know what I mean? I always see him. I pass where he is. And, you know, I pretend I don't see him. But, you know, I just laugh and I'm like, here we go again. But the woman where I talk to, you see the woman where I buy up grocery from me, see him like one night him come home with scandal bag, about 10 bag of groceries for her. Him don't know say she have about 3 other man I buy her grocery too. So it's like him on a schedule because you always see him a certain day and a certain time.
Oh, so the woman where I talk to, you know the woman where I talk to in
yes,
the neighborhood where
and
you live?
I see her, and even somebody that know her. Sometimes when I'm at that place, she come over and I see her and different man. We can't know which day he might come. If it's a
So when you say she have him on a schedule?
I'm telling you, that is on a schedule because I only on certain nights I see him and it's always like that. Yeah, man.
And when you say him buy up a whole heap of grocery for you?
He buy up a whole, me name a LPR bills because one of the man them, me know, so one of the man them rent the house CR, one, I guess one pay one bill and the other. So him buy, him a the grocery boy, him buy the groceries and the stuff them for the house and things, yeah.
So you know definitely she there with them other man there too?
Definitely positive. There's no, I mean, every day so, or even the same day, you see somebody come and they see them a kiss up, and then they leave. And then you just see him come down in the late and at the night. And I'm like, see the round, next person. Oh.
Okay, so she a run her thing and she know when to make them come in and when to make them leave.
Exactly. And she don't seem uptight about it, like, oh my God, and I look. She just seem normal. Oh, you're here? And we do a thing and we're there. You know what I mean? You know, like how somebody I look over them head. She know, it's like if she said 5, at 5 them a come. Them can't come no later or no sooner. So she not nothing to worry about. Him one of them.
Oh, all right.
All right.
All right. Woo, woo, woo. Hey. Manix calling. Yes, hello. Hello. Root the call I had already and the call I had is something else. Next call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm a day I give thanks.
Well, I'm calling for tell you about one Mixup, bro. Well, anyway, I meet my man online. So,
talk a little louder, please.
I meet a man online. So,
right.
My friend introduced me to the line thing, and you never have nobody in my life. I decide to I'm going to meet somebody online. Anyway,
okay.
Raga, when did I talk to the person and him sound good and everything on Jamaica and him live in Canada? Anyway, me say, Raga, him decides to come to Jamaica. Nervous as me is now, me decide say, yeah, watch, we have a good conversation on the phone and everything. Yeah. I say, all right then, I'm going to make a chance and when him come, I'm going to set up myself, line up, see him and everything. Anyway, him come to Jamaica in the Christmas to see me. And I say, Raga, when I go meet the man at the airport, I say the first thing greet me. Well, him greet me with a hug. But the first thing greet me, Raga, is when him say, hi, him mouth think.
When him say, hi, him mouth stink.
Stink, Raga, stink. So
all right.
I was like, no, man, something wrong. Anyway, I'm going to try to ignore. Hold on.
Why people call it radio? When I show I go on, I think so them can't just make you go up and pause for a second and then come back.
Hello?
Yeah, man, darling, it can't run so do you can't.
Yes,
I radio independent now. So tens of thousands of people are listening. So when you, I know just me I talk to.
Anyway, Raga.
Yeah.
When me didn't know and I said, no man, something wrong with this man, yeah. Can't work at all. So I decide, say, may I go see how it play out. No, the man decides, say, we're going to go to a restaurant, how we decide, so we're going to eat. We go to a restaurant and everything. The man, they talk to me and me I tell you from a distance from the restaurant, it smells so bad. So
this is our next day?
The same day.
Okay.
Anyway.
So he might come off of the plane and breath stink and him smell bad?
Yes. Anyway, Raga, I said, no, sir, this a man, there's something wrong with him or something. But I couldn't stand the breath at all. Raga, he not even know him vehicle get, him rent a vehicle, him rent. Must have meeting at some accident. So I end up having to get one place for him to stay. Now, Raga, remember, I don't know this man. And this man come all the way from foreign. Not a thing him bring come give me nor anything. And the man want jump in my pants, you know, Raga. Me say not only want jump in my pants, the man want all over me. Me for stop him right now and make him shock. I said, Raga, I said to him, say, hello, look here. There's something you need to know about me. I don't kiss on first date. Say, him, no, but you don't know me. Me the pan phone and talk how much time you don't know me. So same time me did have one wriggles in my bag. So I kind of like, I never want it look so bad. So, but buy piece of it. I said to him, say, you have, you want half of it? Him no want, is my mouth stink? So I say, no, not really, but, should I eat the bubble gum or I eat piece too? Say him to me now. But, so why, you know, when we get down to business and know each other, Raga, this man don't even offer me nothing yet. And him want jump down in my pants. And not to mention him mouth.
Him mouth,
so bad.
So how it end up, though? How it end up?
Anyway, what happened is that me just leave him right there, so. Right in him spot right there, so because I'm not going anywhere with him. I said to him, say, look here, him even want to come here. I said, no, not with my Sunday home. So I just leave him right there. I said, look here, I am not going to go anywhere further with this because me could stand up the birthday at all, and furthermore, him did too frightened for going to my back.
Yes, him did too Gladys.
Yes, okay. Man, him too frightened for going to my pants, so I leave him. So right, so Raga, it teach me sense because you can't talk to somebody online or anywhere. You don't know them, and next thing when you know them, something wrong with them. But I don't call him again.
Just let him go. Drop that right there, sir.
Drop him right there.
All right, that's our word here.
All right.
Okay, to the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
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 Hi, Raga.
What's up?
I'm okay. This is Barbie.
This is who?
Barbie. Barbie the real Barbie, the rest of my dolly.
Oh, what you say? You're the real. And for people who don't know, this person, I am talking to a man. Barbie, me have to tell the people because them don't know. This is a man.
Well, I'm not like to up my secrets now.
No, but what you mean secret? Everybody don't know.
Yesterday.
No, what you say what?
My son, Carter, organized beat them bad, but he was yesterday.
Well, and you speak too close to the phone so your voice I get distorted here.
Okay.
Yeah, but right, that's if it talk. So you're saying at the clash yesterday, Cartel done Lenisha.
Done Lenisha, but him organized beat them bad.
Lenisha ugly?
No, Cartel organized beat them bad.
Cartel ugliness a beat them bad?
Yeah.
And again, for listeners, you're referring to Cartel Brown, not Vibes Cartel.
No, Cartel Brown. When I was Cartel Brown, I could have which other Cartel.
No, but some people just hear you as a cartel and think of Vibes Cartel you attack. So we just want to make that clear. That is my job. You not call Vibes Cartel name?
No, I don't know them people there.
So, Bobby, as a man, who think you...
When the pregnant Mixup are two pregnant, you know what I'm about?
Well, I as a man who believes that him is a woman, you tell me say you know dance on a cartel tune them?
My Ami bunch, fool. How are you, Raga?
Okay. And again, for people...
pregnant Mixup now.
Well on. Just before I say it, for people who don't know, this is D. Barbie from the drama we're going on at Maypen Police Station and thing with the woman who turned out to be a man and he did it on TVJ. Rather. So give me the pregnancy mix up now.
Yeah, one day my boyfriend and he work on one side.
Yeah.
So when I work on the side, I used to go sleep over on the side. So one day we know me there, I'm commented at the time I live at St. Anne's there.
Yeah.
And you know the big app them put on them head raga.
Yeah, the helmet type of
there now, not really. I'm not my best there, so I can't just up on the road. I'm a summertime into the house, I'm alone, the house, I'm sleep over. So the app now, I put on them head and up on the construction work.
I take it and put it to my belly for eyes and the breast now show. See, look, the ass push out my belly. Coming out my breast, you know. I'm tired of blows.
Well, of course you don't have any breast. You're a man. Hold on. Of course you don't have any breast. You're a man, but go on talk. So you put the helmet in your belly.
My breast, I know my breast.
Okay.
I have my breast here. I could have my breast here for make the breast them then. So I use the app to put it on my belly so make my belly look big so my breast not show. So I know me I walk, but you know when I'm pregnant, my man not really look like I'm pregnant.
Right.
And I take them the extra walk, you know, with the pregnancy. So I'm watching and so Suleiman. So I say hi. Then in the day I talk no Raga about in some of my father go up in yard. I'm like pregnant, so I met him, so I'm baby father dead. And I'm alone on the baby. The baby got born next month. But through the act now, Raga, the belly I jump.
Through your what?
So, the boys, I can't touch my belly. I said, no, you can't touch my belly. I don't like when people touch my belly, you know, how the baby, when them touch my belly, my baby just rest on my kidney all the time. I mess with a doctor. So I like, when I rub down my belly.
Okay.
So I'm going to know the boys for the belly. I jump right up here, the boys say, all right, then we'll land there. My suit, I'm going to put on my bag and come back. So I'm going to look around. They see the boy, I tear up the road. The boy, I run, the boy, I run, the boy, I run.
Where am I run for?
I run for now. I don't know me if I want. That's why I used to look. I see the boy come and say, let me see your belly, my girl. I'm not pregnant. Let me see your belly. I look here now. I'm pregnant, but the belly not so big. That's added to the heart. I'm a treat my baby father. So I'm 9 months pregnant. I'm 9 months pregnant. I'm just 3 months pregnant. So the boy said, no, man, let me see the belly. This is what you want to my belly for. He said, well, they have breasts. Mr. I can't my two breasts and I'm going to cut them out. The boy said, well, I have this on the right. Let me see your belly. The time the boy have a big knife and I'm telling you, I'm studying, I'm hard on excitement. I tell them, so you want to kill my belly. I'm going to you know. The boy, I see the boy say, all right, then, girl, that's one we try to suffer my soul cause. So all right, in find out that there's a man.
So wait, hold on, Bobby. So all this time, when him run go up the road or whatever, I find out so use a man and come back with knife and down you.
Come to the belly I jump.
Him to the belly I jump.
I'm moving on the shirt.
Okay.
So, when the man run around and chop my up and say, so they don't want me to you. So you know what grieved me, you know, like when the boy come with the knife, you know, me not get the cut, you know. And when me run down by my bitch, when the boy, the truck man stop and say, baby, I want me to, you know. Me turn on and look on the truck man now. Me get a job from my knee, see, Raga. They go to roll on my knee. And the man said, Jesus Christ, a job for your belly. When the man say, a job for your belly, Raga, me get over to take out the apple for the belly, Raga, I just start run. Look for the man, go look up at the one truck, Raga. I mean, no, that one truck, the truck man, go look up at the one car on the highway, Raga. Because right as I run away, baby, so Raga. The man ran off in the one car, Raga, when him see me take out the apple from my belly and start run.
When him see you take out the apple to your belly and start run?
I start run, Raga. Him should I look at me around, him so surprised to see the apple on my belly, can take the drop on my belly, and look at Jesus Christ, the drop on your belly.
All right, Bobby, here what? No, Bobby, here what? Don't bother give with the other mix-up. But again, may I ask you, why you keep doing these things where you're going around and tricking?
I'm talk to you about 3 years back now. I'm telling some murder second now, and I don't know why I don't believe me now.
Oh, so this thing happened.
I'm married for truth, I second now.
You're married and second now?
Yeah.
And the man who is
last time someone do them further again, and you don't believe me.
No. Well, no. I think that's something you tell me what happened recently, but you said 3 years ago this happened.
3 years ago, I say no the next thing, so I'm going to kiss and pretend like I'm pregnant, I carry stuff on the plane.
You do what?
One time I'm friend, I'm going to Curacao.
Curacao, yeah,
you're pregnant, so I stuff my belly.
And do what?
You know, when I go to the airport now, Raga, you know, you're the man now. The time I come back, where I come from Curacao, I'm reaching Jamaica now. I mean, from the belly. You're the man at the airport, a man together here. Miss, you give us the wrong passport. This is a male passport. Just allow me, Ramil. The man said that you're pregnant. Oh, but some of the maximum afraid that rather people have set them in our room, rather extreme and all kinds of verse. Could have man just took out the stuff and I show them to this, that man, rather.
All right, Bobby, just stop that. I'm glad to say you stop trick, man.
I need to tell cartels, say. I will make them know some man can send for them a foreign.
No, you must say cartel, bro. Hold on. It's a cartel, bro.
Cartel Brown, that's all. I'm never hear about cartel calling for your program yet. Raga, I talk about Cartel Brown.
Well, it's a cartel, bro. Yeah.
Cartel Brown, Raga, I need to know say we motivate him and never motivate we. And all of us stop on him, send him down money. Yesterday, if he ever put me on the program, when I wrote taught me, let's one call a conference. Get one reference, I mean, I call Western Union and check it and make sure some money is available.
Okay.
I should have no money, Raga. She broke out hunger. Me, I tell him I know her from a longer time. Over there.
Cartel Brown?
Yeah, I'm coming Cartel Brown over there. Cartel don't have no money. I used to tell you I have no cartel.
All right, quick question before you go. The picture of Cartel Brown have up on the internet, the people I know if it's really him that or if him black or skinny.
No, I'm not Cartel. I know. I'm not him that going to put up the brown picture, three of them. It's not him. It's a dopey of them big and fat.
And two attack or a lie
but to me, no Cartel Brown. From a longer time, for the minister there, Jamaica, Raga.
But him saying born and grew at England.
I know the things there.
No, him saying born and grew at England.
Well, then you're idiot.
Oh, so I like Cartel Brown, I tell them.
Lie.
Mine you're confusing for somebody else. Mine you're confusing for somebody else.
Mr. Cartel Brown is a bedtime storyteller. Whenever I go to bed, him tell you the story to him.
All right, then. Make my bunks our next call in here.
All right, then. You'll be yourself.
All right, then. Bless you. With all due respect, who want call in. I just saw the show set up. You can't put that for me, whatever. You understand? Next thing you know, them go put lawsuit and say me I discriminate against people based on sexuality. Someone don't even understand the thing. All right, give me our next call. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings. Big up the Puntuluntun. Kitchen Pem.
Yeah.
Anyway, Raga, the man they were called yesterday mash up your program with the black scandal bag. Right now, my man say no one no black scandal in him house. Nothing in the fridge in a black. Nothing around him yard in a black bag. I can't carry a black scandal nowhere around him.
You see? So I'm listening to the show and I hear the levels and thing and not just no black scandal background here.
No black scandal. Him say if him see me carry a black bag in here, me and it a go out.
The man now why you go turn him in a Puntuluntun and a kitchen pem, man. You see it?
Him go open the fridge and check everywhere in the house to see if him see no black scandal tie up.
It look like him a feel a strong
love for the man they lick some word yesterday. I first me hear them. Puntuluntun Raga, dopey a look through glass. Me would love to see it.
Yeah, Puntuluntun. Me never hear that one there yet. Me have to admit that. Me hear Pem already, but me hear it like it. I said.
Program it mad. First time.
No man, it go on good.
Say it mad.
Me hear Pem and Prem already, but me never hear it in a combination with kitchen, like kitchen Pem or kitchen Prem. But me never hear Puntuluntun yet.
Me never hear the Puntuluntun.
You see it, woman a turn man in a Puntuluntun.
Scandal mad. My man say no one say none of it round here.
Go see how you laugh till you're weaky.
What? Me always up myself. Cause me can't let God toilet. Me have to sit down till the man done. It's mad. The whole of my friends, they are mad over it.
All right, let's see how
They never call you and can't get through.
I know, man, I saw it kind of difficult for that show, you know, because you don't know crazy people are rolling, you know.
All
But
right,
we give
big
thanks.
up yourself,
We're
Raga,
glad.
and big up all of the crew, them. It mix up.
Yeah, man, I'm glad you and your linky them. We're glad you and your linky them. I enjoy the show.
Call from Raga, so
Overseas where?
Because the mix up, them mad in England.
England you call from?
Yeah,
Let's say a word, man. Blessings. Which part of England? Which part of England?
London.
London. All right, then large up yourself here.
Cool.
All right. Yeah, I would notice that, well, we know say England is locked in for a long time, but we see someone locked in with a strength right now. We hear say the people them are really sending on the show in different ways over there and all about and so forth. So I want to say enough respect to all our English linking them. Lot of people say, we're going to break, we'll soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the set on the Mixup entertainment thing. Pregnancy Mixup or any other Mixup wanna have. Pregnancy Mixup or any other shell down Mixup wanna have. Just roll in with them. You see it. Pregnancy Mixup or any other Mixup wanna have. We don't have any sample Mixup or any drama or go down funeral Mixup, wedding Mixup or anything. Just send them on. You see it. That's what the thing said. Here we go to the phone lines right now. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, big man.
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah. The first thing. The lady that was called and said she have a mix up on your friend. Did you put that name in your file?
Huh?
Because you always have a file, you know, with all the different people, them, you know, you ask the name after and so off here. Did you put that person on file?
Yeah, man. Me
know because I want everybody on file, you know, because who can be a friend now, who can be an enemy later, you know.
Well,
all right.
That's true. No. We know how.
All right. Big up the 13.
Yo, you think it easy? Anyway, go ahead, talk there.
All right. Big up the 13. You know what I call 13?
The 13. Kingston 13.
No, man. Policeman. 13. I think I cash for 13. A policeman.
Oh, okay. Yeah, me not really good for the cash, but yeah, big up the 13, yeah.
Big up the 13, where everybody woman, right? And in here, a man, I beg him baby mother, our phone number, and I promise him gunshot. I tell you.
He want everybody woman. He want to sleep with everybody woman, right?
Yeah.
I want him hear a man ask him baby mother for fear number. He might make that man know say, I'm shoot him up.
Yeah, put your number up on a shot, you know.
Zin.
All right. Big up the woman. Big up the woman, right? Where she say if she's pregnant, she can hold the man. She not see her monthly thing for 3 months. And when she do see, she don't want to tell the man because she feels if the man feels that she's pregnant, the man will stay with her. You get the drift?
Say that again.
Big up the woman, right?
Yeah.
So want to keep a man in her life. But she not see her monthly thing for 3 months. Right? She tell the man she not see. Right? During them time she look for the man change and like him would want to stay to her permanently. Right? Yeah. But when it come, she don't want to tell him say it come. The man have to find out in other ways. So you know when our plans them when she have it not really materialize because she feels if the man feels that she's pregnant, the man just stay with her.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
Yeah, man.
All right.
So, keep up the good work, man. They may work up on something because I have nothing about me. I have to put them out in
all right.
All right.
We understand the level. We understand the level.
Yeah, man, spoilers, spoilers.
See the papa and I say a word, man. Big up yourself, man.
Big up all spoilers.
Manners and respect. It goes so. Foundation. Yeah, for real. Wildman Street, Smithley and James Street, Texley, and all on the large up Charles Street, Beastown Street. on the side, I see we call it the east side of Charles Street and Beeston Street, because we don't know, say, the west side is all about West Kingston and thing. Dan Fritz on the talk about family and enlarge upon yourself, and you know, everything is everything, all right? Here we go to the phone and pregnancy Mixup or any other shit. Hello.
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 Am I on to Raga? Hello.
Yes, you're on to Raga.
Okay. Greetings, Raga, and big up. Proud of you on the program. Keep up the good work. I called to give you a mention a little about a fish mix-up.
Yes.
Well, I want you to know that when you eat up roast fish and the steamed fish, you put lead in your pencil. So me want the man them to hold this as what the doctor recommend. And so I want to wish the number one fish provider and man upkeep, Miss Jolly from Jolly's Restaurant, Port Henderson. It's her birthday, and I wish her a happy birthday because she's a big provider for the lead in the pencil with the steamed fish and the roast fish. And today's her birthday. So
and today is our birthday.
Yes, Raga, me want the man them come share with her tomorrow. Enough roast fish and enough steamed fish. No, Raga, keep up the good work.
All right.
Full force ahead every day. I'm proud of you.
Blessings and respect here.
Thank you, Raga.
You're most welcome. Blessings. Big up Jollies indeed. Back road, Portmore. You know, say a long time Jollies have shot the thing and things. So big up Jollies over there where I sell them fish. And when I don't know a back road go. A back road you can go for buy fish. All kind of fish. All kind of fish. Sell a back road. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
Listen, Raga, yesterday John come down to call you Monday. She should have called you and tell her she are busy. She need to tell her how she maga Raga and favor a call dog. Raga, I don't have no bun drops in my mouth so I can't laugh. Raga, and I'm mouth full of bun drops or chocolate chips. Raga, she tell her, say, oh, she have that man. She don't have no man.
Big it. You see, when you're calling, you must just remind yourself, when you're calling, it's not you alone attack, you're having a dialogue. Because when you're calling, you're just a fire and we can't stop you. All right? What is bun drops in our mouth? Where you call? What that?
Rotten teeth, but two rotten teeth, and then near them come like bun coconut drops or chocolate chips.
But is there some girl mouth favorite chocolate chip cookie, no?
Yeah, Raga, them maga like scald dog. Raga, if I throw some hot water to your dog, get in the other lemon, come in to dog, then you throw that water to all the back grill, Raga, and catch the dog as so she look.
Then voila. Oh, you know who biggie?
Raga, the boy call me and tell me who.
What do you mean, the boy? Which boy?
The boy was just our cousin, Raga, the boy call me and tell me who.
Okay, oh, you referred to, okay, all right, you referred to the one, the girl who called about you and tell you, say you're doing that, you can't cousin a slide.
Yeah. She tell her to have one fishnet below, so she need to go give one of the man who want a Black River where kids fish for chew up on the sea or on the river. Raga, the girl was about 4 Pickney, I don't know how to be a father.
None of them.
The girl walk and beg and she's not a pastor. I don't know what she a call it Raga about. She's not a pastor, but she ever beg.
What you say? She walk and beg and she not a pastor. Only pastor for walk and beg, no?
Yeah, pastor alone walk for collection or offering, Raga. But me not getting no time.
You see? I'm bright enough come out down here and she not ready.
Raga, but she about to have man have Raga na man look and she cause them girls have body. Raga, them girls not even have 50 body and 50 like top run. Raga, nobody know want right for 50 need a 90 and fair body no make for them there.
She says she have RR man and she don't even have under 50 body or S90 body and them thing they stop. Oh, Jesus, Biggie and sample, you know. All them young people don't even know what you're talking about, you know, under 50 and S90. Big up all the old school Jamaican who go to boat right there.
90s and the 80s. What you
no, they don't know that. What you talking about 90s? Them they buy there from 70s and 80s, man. Under 50 and S90s.
Raga, you know, from when what the kill fill up a long time back. Raga, that the girl to tell you.
And I talk about she there for R and her hype bike, no?
Yeah, Raga, she will tell you, oh, she don't have no magnet, Raga. That she will tell you, say, no man now attract to she, because she have magnet. Gone, Raga, only be an iron there, no magnet, no magnitude to hold down connection. She have the iron and the man, them not find the magnet, Raga. Raga, for me know that girl, me don't know her with no man. Me know all her sister, me know her sister with a man. Raga, me never see she with a man. Raga, man, don't pass. She will tell you, oh, she did ban, oh, she can't say when me did young.
She will say what? She will say what?
She will tell you, oh, she did ban, oh, she never ban young. She can't say when I was young. She will say when my ban old.
Tambourine! The one the bad. The one the bad. Say some girl can't say when me did young. Eh?
She's a tidy old lady. The fish
long time, big man.
Went on the sugar got every dance. That blows they come out from the year 1999. I know it's 2011. So it's she ancient. She don't know modern. She banned from at the time of the mommy return, Raga. Them time that them girls come out in a mommy, them girls wrap up, them girls need a white sheet for wrap around them body.
You see it?
You have them, Raga, them fast people, but me because she never hear my mouth yet, Raga, because I told me got a part there, down at them place, Raga, I don't go on so loud, you know, I make, you know, when I create now for external, but them know about me, but she never hear my mouth yet, she don't know how I make out a Raga.
You see it?
So when she goes to them things that them call Raga, me see something happen to me, I can call and say Raga this and that, Raga, so she must tell you how she crying, how she see about her own man now, see that them things that the girl to tell you. The girl will tell you, say, from, yes, see.
No, me I listen, man. Go on, talk, man.
The girl will tell you, she walk at the crossroad and she make her every chat about man plot. Tell the people no want her, we shall them pick them color Raga, because the girl will keep the color of them before them even don't pick Raga with all the leaf, but sometimes all the leaf wet, and that she will tell you them things there.
But Biggie, you have our file, man. You have our file.
Right. Did I hear me tell you? Mr. Raga, I'm on the end. Me and my friend, and I go here. Mr. Jesus Christ, I really like girl, they that done me. And the people, I go here. I'm saying really like girl, and that girl know some know what it is. That girl go beat out the chick them out and match up. That chick stop building a match up that town for $2 grand downtown. If you can't buy a good feel the prostitute, you can buy one of the $2 grand when they build down our town, run a match with lane back.
They're supposed to call him back and I done, you know.
Raga already she calling and she done made us hook it up tree. Raga, after my mouth not steal. Raga,
okay.
My mouth don't steal. This is not focus so the woman steal her husband mouth. And when the husband wake up and them cut the stitch and go poof, Raga, my mouth have only for her, it now go poof poof. Raga, what's up here?
Yo, my girl over there in a slipe, St. Elizabeth, biggest her mouth no seal, it now go poof poof after hocus pocus. You understand? And she done here and read out your file and sit there, say nothing now go on for you and be things. Wait. Biggie, I used to defend the thing, you know, because you're not back from nothing and nobody.
Raga, me appeal, Raga. If a man out there and him want a woman and him in need desperate, he need to go pick her up. Raga, if a man don't pick her up tomorrow, when the garbage truck comes, Sunday man that's like she need to go on it, Raga, because she's a big rubbish. She's a big load of rubbish.
All right, Biggie, me sure see her. Me sure them call her by this and say, yo, Biggie, I done you wicked.
All right, just big up the security guard.
Security guard. Yeah, that's a big up the security guard, yeah. And the vineyard town taxi man, them we can big up, you know. Big up the vineyard town taxi man.
Because you see them in a crossroad and the whole of them raided us, the Raga. Hear me now, Jesus Christ, the whole of the radio station one way. That means nobody never take a special taxi. Everybody can just take one taxi and it's the Raga.
That's our word, man. That's how I think, set, man. Big up all of the taxi link them out there and sitting. All right? And big up yourself and big up Jerusalem, big in a say a word, large up.
Right, Raga, and big up my nice man, I'm a cute baby big sky. I'm come with me right now from school, my nice mumbo jumbo bumbo logo baby.
All right, Biggie, boy, Biggie, there's none like you. None like you, Biggie. You're just one of a kind, unique in the true sense of the word. All right, blessings and respect.
Yeah.
Biggie to the world right there, sir, man. And I don't know, Biggie does bring it back to Miss Lady over there in a slipe, St. Elizabeth, in case some of you are wondering. A lady call in and rinse out some things about Biggie. Say Biggie, I can her cousin, and I use baby can for her cousin and whatever. So Biggie find out who know and just call in and give her a little serving. You understand? To the phone lines, we got pregnancy mix-up or any other mix-up. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wagwan. Alright, me have one mix up with you. Me have a 3-month baby where one man from Trinidad come to out of the country from the 7th of December, and I know me can't get no justice for my baby. No matter where me go, up and down, no matter where me go, me just can't get no justice for my baby, so give me back to my country.
Wait, you have a 3-month baby where?
Yeah, the man take her from the 7th of December. Raga, me up and down, no matter where me go, me can't get back my baby. The man take away baby from the baby.
Well, are the baby father take it?
Alright, you see the thing like this, me didn't go to Trinidad and me come back, right?
Yeah.
So when me been pregnant now, me didn't think after the man baby, but I never really for the man baby. So the man come back in the country and me say, alright, then me find out say I never really for the man baby, but me say me go give the man the baby. So behind the back, because they have them money and then do them thing, them take out files, birth paper files.
Hold on. Sorry, you got Trinidad and straight up, you're a man that it start out, right?
Yeah, me go Fanny in 2009, Fanny in 27, yeah, and start out and everything.
Not the 27 hour.
At December 2009.
And you and him start out. And when you come back at Jamaica?
At 2010.
Which month?
February.
The 16th of February. When you have the Pickney? When you have the Pickney?
It's 28th of August.
And you have the Pickney 28th of August. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. That's 8 months, really, don't?
9 months, baby, me have it 28th August. Because I didn't get pregnant in December before me didn't go away. But me never didn't really do it.
But what did you didn't get pregnant before you go to Trinidad then?
Yeah, but me never didn't really not. Things said the baby I didn't, but when we check out everything, we find out.
Oh, because again, when did you go to Trinidad? The 27th of December, right?
Yeah.
And you are saying no, you did actually pregnant before you got Trinidad. But you never did really check it. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you find out say you're pregnant, you did pregnant.
When we come back for 16 of February 2010, Jane?
Right.
Yeah, that time when we come back.
But when you did find out? You did find out before you come back or after you come back?
No, me didn't do ultrasound and it date at the ultrasound show, so me really sister I never really for the man baby and everything. But anyway, the man is
No. Well I know, darling. When you start get morning sickness and realize that you're pregnant? When?
But that's how when me did that Trinidad, me start feel certain way. But me used to tell him to feel certain way still. But because I never have no youth and all of them, something them not really know what that really feel like and all of that stuff.
No, so when me I say no, so at that time when you're in a Trinidad you find out say you're pregnant, so at that time you didn't think of him?
Yeah, me didn't think that him, me never did not think nothing else.
Okay, so when you tell him say him breed, what him say?
Yeah, he mean glad and everything because I have no youth and he's a big man. He not have no youth.
And then when him start doing, him did start give money and money and them something there?
No, he me had a peer stress him put me on because them type of man, them I tell me say if me not go to him niece, go tell him niece that I'm making a baby for him, not send no money come to me and all of them the foolishness.
No. What I'm asking you, while you were in Trinidad, was he supporting you throughout the pregnancy?
No, he never knows that me pregnant when me in a Trinidad. I just spent 6 weeks over there, so it's when me come out, me tell him that.
Right. Okay, so you come Jamaica now and you tell him say you're pregnant. Did he send any money to you while you were out here?
No, really send no.
When he said no really send, like how much him send? Him send or him not send?
In life first part, he just not send one little chain, but after I just pay straight everything in the that if he go to his family, I mean not in a damn foolishness, so I'm not really going away.
So when were you? When you do the ultrasound?
I do the ultrasound in about February, March. In about April, no. And
April, you do the...
So my sister, the date not really right to the pregnancy, so I just kind of low him out. But him still in a family, but I still kind of low him out.
All right. So when you do the ultrasound, did you know who actually got you pregnant then at that point?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay. You tell that person that yet?
Yeah, me didn't tell him.
You tell him and him cool with it and him want him mute and thing?
Yeah, me didn't tell him, but at the same time, I didn't tell him, so when we come back from Trinidad, the man didn't take care of the baby. Which, me never really did not plan to, man, really take care of me, me didn't try to do it myself. Then,
no, so where you tell the real baby father, so when you come back from the man, the man at Trinidad?
I'm pregnant and I've seen baby still, you know, me didn't tell him I'm pregnant and I've seen baby still. But
you tell him, say the man at Trinidad going to take care of the baby, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, so, well,
I never really have no use, so I know I'm in the but at the same time, I'm not full of nothing but see stress and be a problem. So, I just tell me that I just go and bounce the by myself because I can't take the stress and the problem.
So, you tell the real baby father, say, him and the baby father, but the man from Trinidad, I got to go and take care of the Pickney, so him for go and cool and low the arrangement, all right?
Yeah.
All right, then. How is it then, after you find out who the real baby father is in April, how is it this man have come for all your Pickney and could have bring back your Pickney go Trinidad?
All right, here you go now. Nobody never really didn't know that I didn't pregnant to the next youth because everybody didn't think that I didn't pregnant to the man at Trinidad.
Right. But me say, right. You know, in April, say him is not the one at Trinidad, is not the father. So what I'm asking you, because we will defend you, you know. But we are saying, when we are asking, what we need to understand is how him come to get the Pickney to carry go back at Trinidad from you.
All right, here's the story go now. In coming November, it's 5th of November, right? Nobody never really didn't know that of you. So him as a baby, me there on there with my baby because I mean I love my baby with them.
All right, when you go to christening?
It's 5th of December.
So you and the Trinidad man, who you know is not the father of the child, who go christening together. So you did not go along with the thing and make him think say him and the father, don't you?
Yeah.
Why you do that?
It's not a matter of why me do that, rather because you said
no. It is a matter why you do it. It is a matter why you do it.
All right. You see, after me have a baby, me never did really not work on everything. And because me didn't that Trinidad with him, I mean, what is the Caesar? Then say give it to Caesar. You see, after me didn't have the baby 2 weeks after me have the baby, he start sending money come and everything. And meanwhile, him come, you know, me didn't include it, and he said, yeah, we never go back at Trinidad and everything. But then just go behind my back now, get out Paul's baby birth paper, get out Paul's passport and everything, and take the baby out of the country without me knowing about it. Because then say me and the baby didn't never go back. And at the same time, me never didn't really want the man, but my family pushed me in a certain things and said, deal with the man. Because me never didn't say me want the man to put back the man in the situation with the baby.
Hold on. So 2 weeks after you have the baby, him start send money and your family start pushing and say, go and deal with him and take the money and make him mind and think him come down.
And all of that, which me never really wanted, but me never didn't work at the time. So me say, all right, so you know, so you have to give and all of that. So me say, all right, me to give him to everything. You need in that.
So hold on. So basically what happens is that when him there, him come and thing and whatever and a bounce round with the baby, you a treat him like say him and the father of the Pickney. Him did that send money after 2 weeks. So behind your back, them take out birth paper, take out passport. In other words, them did a plan for you secretly the whole time for Tief the Pickney and carry with the Pickney.
I never know nothing about it until when me the year and years and the baby that Trinidad. The 3 month baby, me 3 month years, so she reaching at Trinidad.
Your ears say your 3 month baby there at Trinidad?
Yeah, the one me there because it's like it's Sunday baby Christmas and it's Monday now. And everything all right until it's Tuesday now. Then so we come round and me and tell you, so we are going to take picture with the baby. So me not better come round and my mother because him live when him come in, him niece live beside my mother. So him say me not better come round now. Me go come round and my yard and me and him and the baby go take picture. So me say all right then me not better come. So me go out here you know I just like a best sticking. I like me fright now. So I'm going to go on the ear saying gone already. So me say all right maybe soon come. 2 days after now, me hear say, in Ghana, Trinidad with the baby. By the time I reach the station, me hear so the man reaching at Trinidad with the baby. So me never know nothing. I'm up and down and things now, and me nothing at all. Me can't hear about the baby. I feel foolishness me here. Me can't get back the baby. If I for the baby to come back in the country.
So you give them the 3-month baby for hold for a while then?
It's not a matter of give them within the round every day, but it's just that man alone. Because the mean tell me, so we never take picture with the baby, so it's just that man alone. We never go around there. Because we never expect that me to do something like that.
When you say never go around there, you did have the baby, or you did leave the baby around there, you just never go.
The baby used to sleep out here with me, you know. The baby used to sleep out here with me every night, you know.
Okay, so when them have the baby, how long them did have the baby for at that time there? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, what?
From the Sunday at the Christmas.
Them did have the baby?
Yeah, and the Monday we didn't go around there for the baby, and the niece mother, here she, you know, the baby is sleeping, and when the baby wakes, the man will bring around the baby, and I go call the man name.
Well on, real quick, well on, don't move, but which day the man go away? Which day the man go away?
It's the 7th of December, that was a Tuesday.
Okay, so you left your 3-month baby around there from the Christian from the Sunday until the point when the man go away, it's Tuesday.
Yeah, but me still go on there,
Hold on, all right. We're going to take, I'm coming right back to you because I don't care nobody wants to, I want to hear the rest of that mix up here. I'm coming right back to you. News time. Hold on, Leroy.
A mix up and blender time.
I want to call and talk up the team.
Hey man, welcome back to one thing. And we they are so sort of mix up your pregnancy, mix up your thing, baby mix up and something and thing. So yes, Carla, you said the baby christened the Sunday and you did run there, of course. You go back around there, go visit them the Monday. Then when you go back Tuesday, if you go take picture and whatever, them tell us that the man gone with the baby gone back at Trinidad, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And this was from if the baby christened, what you said, the 5th or the 7th of December, the baby christened when?
The 5th of December. And the man gone with the baby from the 7th.
So from the 7th of December. So from him gone, anything you talk to him?
Yeah, him call me, but all him try to do, I try to at up my head. That's all him do. Take away baby and him just try to at up my head. That's all
at up your head. At up your head, oh. At up your head, oh.
You know, try to tell you your foolishness and all of them something and you know saying wrong to your foolishness.
Well on, but you not tell me, but you not tell me what him tell you. What him tell you? He must have given some argument.
That's all him tell me, just say stupidness.
Darling, listen to me now, man. You call the radio and you talk about how to get your baby back and all them something. So, you can't just say stupidness and fear foolishness and at up. You need to tell with the things them where I tell you. Because he obviously has a side and an argument where I put to you. It's a reason why I'm doing it. The man not just leave one country, come and then whatever, pick up Pickney and run, go back. He must have tell you something. Where am I accuse you of?
Nah, accuse me of really saying nothing. But him not call and not tell me nothing with sense. During the Christmas time, when everybody have them baby, him take on the baby, all him said, him just want the baby for Christmas. Call me, tell me something like the baby, the 3-month baby, said to tell me Merry Christmas, or text me, or the baby said to tell me Happy New Year, or pay foolishness. I mean, I know what him doing, he not tell me, and all of them check when he say. He just keep on a call me and tell me pay foolishness when I really make no sense.
All right, let me ask you something else then. Let me ask you something. Did the man tell us him go and bring back the baby?
No, he never tell me nothing like that. The only thing, we used to sit down and talk and laugh and chat because nobody no people loving more than anybody else. Nobody never expects me to do something like this.
No, darling, no. I could focus on the main thing. Do you believe this man intend to bring back your baby?
No, me never expects me to do something like that.
No. You need to listen. Do you think, you say you never expect him to take the baby. We're past that now. Do you think this man has any intention of bringing back that child to Jamaica to give it back to you?
If me thinks me then bring back the baby come to Jamaica, come give me?
Yeah.
Me don't know if he think that way, but me I really want him to do it. Him now, but me not feel him about bring her back, but me I really want him bring her back.
All right. You know, so we keep it real pan the show. You know, so we keep it real pan the show and we talk straight, right? You see what happened to you, may I tell you straight, how you bring it by yourself?
Why you
right? No, man, because you did run a general ship and you did run a can and whatever, because You did
No, it's
think
not
that
a matter.
you
It's
realize-
gonna run a can, so everything didn't go out fine. It's just what him do because nobody never did know. I never seen him.
Darling, what happened was you convinced this man that is Fiend Pickney. And the man not let it go. So the man thinks say you are trying to jingle him out a Fiend Pickney. In a Fiend Pickney, And you do it to a man who not have no youth yet. Some man in a them position and them desperate. So them man they know, you have some man when them reach a point now, you go convince them say a Fiend Pickney. You have him in a situation where him did all send money 2 weeks after the Pickney ban and all him something there. You never make it plain to him say him is not the father when you find out after the ultrasound. You did a go and run the thing, then you go say you make your family them, your relatives them, and tell if you go and run the can same way. All this time in a Fiend minded Fiend Pickney. So after the Pickney ban, as far as the man concerned, you don't want him to be a father to his child. So he made the desperate decision, come over here and trick you, and took back to Trinidad what he thinks is his child. Some of just want that clear. Until you go on with your foolishness and your relatives and things, make the man reach a point where I'm going to do them things. That being said, him still trick you and go with the Pickney. Now, what you have to find somewhere to do is you actually going to have to go to Trinidad and report your case to the police, bring it to the court, and at some point, the key thing here is to get the court to sanction a DNA test to prove beyond a doubt that that man is not the father, the biological father of the child. And therein then, when the DNA demonstrates that you are the mother, the court will then order him to give over the child to you. Me don't know where you have to find the money for go Trinidad and stay for a while and pay the police them. Not the police, pay the ticket for go over and then report it to the police and get the thing. But I saw it have to go work. The other way is to have the Minister of Foreign Affairs out here initiate a case against them and thing. But you still have to find evidence of them not do it unless you have DNA proof. Say, 1, he is not the father. 2, you are the mother. And henceforth, he's illegally holding that child in Trinidad. And that way, the Minister of Foreign Affairs can initiate proceedings to secure the child and bring the child back. But me I tell you from now.
But me bring one letter to Foreign Affairs already and picture everything did with the baby already.
Darling, picture no mean nothing if it is the case. Remember, when you put the man name on birth paper,
No, me never put it on it. I never put it on it.
No, what time? All right, put it on it that way. Him name the pan documents, Christine and whatever, say he's the father. That's what I'm telling you.
No, at the same time, when we didn't see the baby, the birth paper never come true. When we didn't have the baby, me rang in a certain way because me put the baby in my name. It's my name, me put the baby in, and the baby in a no man name. Me rang right there, so me put the baby in my name. It's them go behind my back and put on the man last name, pan the baby name. Me never put the baby in a no man name at all. At the Christine, when the pastor asked for the birth paper, them most of them in do them false thing. They never give the pastor the birth paper. Then tell the pastor,
Darling, listen to me. What I'm saying is, you say all them false thing there. Fine, it is false. But what I'm saying is, he still has his name on documents. Find them false. What I'm saying is, in order to prove that those documents are fraudulent, anyway you take it, a DNA test have to go do. Because right now...
And him say, baby a female, and then after he call me back and tell me, say, if the baby a female, I say, no. And he have to know why me do things like that to him. I say, well, me never tell us if you bring your baby girl in our country. I just, even just enough to hurry up with the baby, them never just do it.
But so, you say, yeah, like, you see me ask you them things. Me ask you them things and you tell me say I be a foolish. You see me talk and me ask you what are the things and when him say you just come out with. So him say him do DNA test and the DNA test come out say him are the father.
That is the first time can I say him do DNA test and me say there is not even can him Murray show this a baby could show us a female, right? And me say alright.
Listen to me.
Calm me back.
Hold on. This man, listen to me, man. This man is desperate for a Pickney too. And him probably gonna go time where even if him find out say him not the father, if he believes that him are the father, you hear what me say? Not here how you spin it. You going to have to get the court to do an independent DNA test that will either demonstrate that he's the father or not the father. Him cannot tell you say him go get test. This is a man who never have no pitney yet. Big man and dying for have one pitney. He will believe anything he want to believe in a film delusion and film madness to and all of that. I'm going to say, if you want back this pitney anywhere you take it, your best bet right now is to find somewhere to have the courts in Trinidad order him to do a DNA test, and when the court make him do the DNA test, and him figure do it himself, the court do it, and then the court, it will prove whether or not him is a child, and it is only then you would be able to secure back your child. And I remember now, me not a liar either, but me just tell you, say, a data figure go on, all right? All right, good. Whoa. Why, that's why I'm telling you now. I see, it a go on, and whole heap of things that go down in Jamaica where people are make some choices earlier on and I do some kind of whatever, and then later on when visa file for and all kind of drama, be a problem a come out. Later on when Pickney forget student loan, later on when this and that, for whatever this and that, a be a problem a go out. And if I think twice about the things them wanna do, careful, when you not tell some big lie, and I go on some big generalship and some big con and some big fraud, them going to come around back and kick you in the butt, and at the Pickney them going to suffer. All right, here we go to the phone line. Sorry about that, appreciate to the patient. That was a long time and whatever, but we didn't want to just suss out that one day. And big time. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
I'm Mr. Ragashanti, the stamp around the show. Can't stop Ragashanti from go through. Where the man go to stop around the show. Can't stop Ragashanti from go through. You hear me? Book for that show you have coming. Hear that?
How old is?
You hear the voice? I guess you should have known.
Talk up.
Raga.
Oh.
Shanti, I'm Buntan talk to you, man.
Who?
Buntan. The other version of Butch Buntan.
Oh, all right. What you say? Yeah.
I said, your upcoming show right now, I don't really have a story for you, but more on the upcoming show, so I book the feed officially.
Which upcoming show? Yeah, which upcoming show?
The show you have in the country, man, now watch it.
No, I'm not my show, I'm just the host. No, I am just the host.
Oh, I'm not getting the thing wrong.
Yeah, them just hire me for host the show.
Oh, I'm not getting the thing wrong then.
No, you get the thing wrong. Them just call my booking agent, say, is the date available? Them want hire Ragashanti for that date, and them hire me, so. You know.
Oh, yeah, me never this problem.
All right.
Man. Big up yourself, hear that?
All right, pop. Yeah, man, blessings, man, respect. Okay. Here we go. Give me our next caller. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greeting.
Greetings, Raga. I have this man, Raga. Him search my phone, listen to the message, and call back the next man and ask him who him be, and tell him man say my sister, and him want to know when me and the
no,
man.
say my your brother. Well, yeah. Say my your brother.
Yeah, and him want to know what go on, Raga. And one piece of something, take the number and bring. Every day and still I call him man. I say, you're not telling me the truth, you're not telling me the truth.
The man who search your phone, your man?
Yeah. But he's a friend. The next man I know my man, I'm a friend.
No, but between me and you, the next man, just a Raga yata. Don't look at something that go on there with the other man.
Here's that, Raga, here's that.
So years ago, you and him used to go and look at him,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
All right, then since lately, like, not look at one time, you know?
No, we just call each other and talk to each other.
Okay, so what you say now? What the mix up there now? What me I know?
So I take out, in going to 1, 2, 3 and listen to the message when left and call him and ask him what go on, and if he not tell him who him be and me and him or whatever.
Then tell me something I know. What the message did hot? I did start out message?
No, I just want a simple little message like me call you and me not get you what happened to you.
Okay, so what's the position now with you and the man now?
We don't know because we don't talk from that from the 19th of last month.
So, what you gonna do? What?
I don't know. That's a lot. Get a break.
I just get a break.
Yeah.
All right then. Good luck. We see how that work out. Probably must stop calling then since you
All right.
not talk. All right.
You on?
Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes. Greetings.
Yeah, Rhonda, tell Trinidad Santos that she needs to call Maury.
Maury.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but you see, boy, let me tell you, that story there, no, me not get the whole of that story there, me not get the whole of that story. What you say, she tell lie?
Me feel so. And she start out too much to stop it.
Something not straight in the story. We not get the full 100 pound that story there.
But
this is definitely that story where you want to get. Maury, okay, all right, now say a word.
All right,
bless up here. Yeah, man, cool. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Whoa.
A cartel. Whoa, me a hurry.
Why? Now I ring to call him on every day. We not go call in, you know. What you say?
Every day them want come. Every day them want come down me, so me have to come down them back, Raga. I want them to Barbie, and I big Dutch pot was full of stinking dirty oil. I want them to see.
Oh, you know it's a Barbie Dutch pot full of a dirty oil. Oh, you know.
Quite big, and it's full of dirty oil. The people them talk about it. People them talk about it on Google. I want them to them. I know me make them not have no tubes to breed. The only tube them have a YouTube.
Okay.
Them a Baran.
All right.
And here the next thing now. Raga, not tell me about all right. I'm in all right, my half left. Listen.
Yeah. So what?
Yeah. Tell them say my picture. And on me make my skin stay clean. Me not make them lumpy bumpy. Girl them there. Them face favor cheese grater, them full of lump and bump in them face. Them forgot sit down, them forgot look at makeover and come off for my name.
What you say in favor cheap grater?
Cheese grater, them face full of bump.
Oh, cheese grater.
Yeah, cheese
all
grater.
right.
I England to cut the cheese. But me then I'm a good hotel Raga Birmingham and me I do the things them and your show gone global straight. And I mean Fire British aka Cartel Brand to the world, them can't stop me. The more them chat the higher me climb straight. Me hurry, later Raga.
All right, Cartel Brown, all right. Drama. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Next caller, good afternoon. Hello.
Governor.
Striker! Oh, yeah, the striker.
No.
Why you laughing?
Boy, I'm not lying. I love you, them. They're warm. They're warm, Raga. You hear me?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, man.
You hear me now? One big up. Hello?
Yeah, man. Greetings. Yeah, man. Go and talk, Striker. Yeah.
One big up to a girl from she find out that some mothers are curling her milk, you see. I be a barricade, she a barricade the money in the night time. She put furniture at the door, at the bedroom door. That's the type the furniture they move, she know when they might come out.
Then we she think that can't stop them. So wait, so when the furniture they move and we come.
Okay.
Then when the furniture they move and she
will wake.
Okay.
Yeah, Raga.
And then run go try.
Eh?
And then she run go try stop him from going.
No, that time she will wake, so I'm not going to go out.
Oh, Zin. No, but what woman for know is that when them do that, you know, the man just not bother go come in.
No, he must come in.
No, me means that whatever I'm going to do, all right. You see, when you try...
Probably he will do it and come in, but me know he must come in.
No. Me know him the man will come in. But I say, no. You see, with respect to doing the things, you see, when a man try to lock in a woman, like say, if she come home and go out, all she do, she carry extra clothes and then change and go do what she go do and come in later. And at the same thing the man them will do. So barricading somebody in and not try to start them when them go. That not gonna really stop them from doing it. If them a go burn, them a go burn. But anyway, what you ask about the mix-up here?
Me have a friend, you know. She fluffy body, you know, Raga. And me I tell her, every one of my friends, when them pregnant, me know, as them pregnant, me know. But you see that one then, yeah, I have baby the Monday, the day after.
But when she did the dance, what she do a dance? What she do at the dance?
You know, when I'm going to go on, and I broke out.
Then voila, then she knows that she did pregnant, right? Of course, right?
But most because when she called me, you know, she called me and tell me so she did hospital. So I said, where do you? And she said, when I come, she would tell me. So I said, what are you in? And she said, Jubilee. And I said, Jubilee? Oh, Jubilee. And she turned to me and said, when you come, we will explain everything. So I said, probably it's all a little thing pop up and it's a little miscarriage or something. You understand me? You see when I go, Raga, baby born, you know. Boy, between me and him, I have to neatly name the little baby boy. I just call him Sen Up. Nobody don't even know because I wanted it Sen Up far. I never see it.
What you call the baby Sen Up?
Sen Up. One time I asked me what I call him. I said, tell your mother if you explain it to you. Anytime she breed Raga, I can't see it.
Alright. You get tricked with that one, man. Get tricked with that one.
I pick up the girl who have baby the 23rd of December and the 24th, she up on the wall and back it up out on the roof.
Which roof? Which roof?
The Alpha Tree, the Skettle Club.
Oh, yeah, man. We know a nice square there, right?
Yes, the 23rd and the 24th, she out there. Grand Market night.
She have baby the 23rd and then the 24th, she have back out to back it up on the ground with the things and dance up on the roof.
Yeah.
Yo, so then them have one thing in Jamaica where them say like when woman have young baby, them not for make night catch them out.
Why me no know them well bill? Them a custom bill body.
All right, Striker, that's our word here.
Normal, but them body have to clear for all down a wharf. Anyway, Raga, guidance there, and big up yourself, Root and Patty Belly Large.
All right, Striker, large up yourself here.
Yeah, guidance.
Man. Yeah, man. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings. Yes,
hello?
yes. Yes, hello.
Hi, good afternoon, Raga. Congratulations on your program. I just want
Thank
to
you
say,
so much.
Yeah, I just want to say that, you know, that guy that called from London, what he's saying pertaining to Jamaicans overseas, you know, he's not wrong, you know. Because it's like when I left Jamaica and go to England to university, it's like I just left from here, I went straight to a ghetto to see how Jamaicans live there. It's not really nice. So maybe he might have some of the things he said might not be totally true or whatever. I'm not sure. But mainly what he says is true. If you want gossip, go to England and live some lives there that is just unbelievable. And none of them would like to come back home and they probably regret it. That they probably, some of them, they're not straight and run off and so on, but the lives are not good. I was shocked to know that myself.
Right. No. That is true. That is true. That there are thousands of Jamaicans in abroad, including England and so forth, living under conditions that are quite deplorable. And that the way they relate to Jamaicans at home, you know, they essentially live lies and they tell lies and they get quite delusional with it. But simultaneously, you must admit that there are thousands and thousands of Jamaicans who are in England living very productive lives, very stable lives.
And working hard
and so
as well.
And working hard and doing real well, honest and everything that, you know, that we have to be very, very proud of and so forth. But he was in fact mentioning, he was referring to that ilk of Jamaicans that are, you know, basically them are going with the things them over there. And
because
things.
mostly,
so
because I used to try away from me to get to socialize.
Wait, one second. We just have to take a quick break here.
Yeah, man.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our setting and thing. We're down in our last half hour and thing. But interestingly, we managed to get the lady we're calling about the mix up and thing. The baby and Trinidad and thing. I think we have the father here, you know. Yeah, you know. Bring him in the room. Bring him in the room. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Aya. Right? Right, I'm going to want to chat to you up on the other thing from my side of the story still, because you need to understand how I really that going to get me.
First of all, hold on. We need you to identify yourself. You are the baby father. You are the one who carried the Pickney go to Trinidad, right?
No. Me are the Jamaican one.
Oh, you are the Jamaican baby father. All right, okay. You tell me what I go on. Tell me what I go on. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Ruth, what go on there? Sort out that for me. What go on there, sir? Ruth, can we get back that person? Can get back that brother there? All right, while you start out that, give me a next call. Come on. Come on. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, greetings. Miss Safe. It's not a really big mix-up in Raga. One day I was downtown, I was doing my tour, and I was passing and one girl and the other girl, and I said, my girl, a old man shot them at tour, and I said, he said, she ever see girl tour in a job same place as I laugh. Hello?
All right. That I don't really mix up still in a darling. Here. All right. All right, bless you. Give me a next call and see if you can call back that brother. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yo, I want that to make them a beep noisy. Ruth. Next call. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello? Raga?
Yes, hello, yes?
Yes, Raga. I big up the girl with Tief, my 3-piece of chicken back.
The girl with
Hello?
Tief a 3-piece of... Yeah, with Tief a 3-piece of chicken back.
Chicken back, yes. Beg her buy
When?
5 pound of chicken back for me. In a January, Raga. Beg her buy 5 pound of chicken back for me. When she can come, I'm away and go weigh 3 pound. When I measure it with somebody else who buy 5 pound, you want 3 piece to make you up to 5 pound. Hello?
Then you not talk to her about it.
Well, I know, man. Me got a book now, so I'm link her. On her phone, and I say, boy, my girl, you know, so I go back down to the wholesale, because I look like them rob you. Because the people, them wicked, them give 3 pound to 5 pound. Here I know, Raga. Yes, man, go down there and come to me, go down there with you. So me like a idiot now, go say, no, man, me down there already. She says, I'll pick you down there already, you know, come let us come down there with you, you know. Come let us show you the girl will sell me, you know, my girl. Let us show you the girl will sell me, you know, because I know she can't take, you know. I know she can't take. Raga, she not talk to me from that. She's to pass me yard. Anything she want, I mean, she's to send feed for. Then you wicked more joke after that. You don't know what she do after she feed the chicken back. And me see what the next season, we season it up.
What you mean? But how you come for season it? When she do, she call you and tell us to come season chicken back for you?
No, and me see you want to beg the seasoning, you understand? She tell
the seasoning?
Some for herself. Because me the guy buy 5 pounds to me, you know. And she tell me that she buy 7 pounds for herself. When me go down to the wholesale and she buy 2 5-pound parcel. Then I know what she do, she take out some of my own now. Put for fair one and tell me that 7 pounds, she buy it for herself. So when in the morning, the Saturday morning, she check me, come to the home the Saturday, and she check me the Saturday morning and say, yo, me have to get some seasoning, powder seasoning and tomato and onion and things, you see me? So after me gear, time, me never check my one time, she said, short, because she carried company at night, and me just put it in the fridge. So
right.
the day now, when time I pick it out now to go season it up, me ask about this light. So I'm going to check one of my friends and I say, yo, weigh this for me. The person wait and say a 3 pound. I say, look how much you want to make it to 5 pound. And a 3-piece girl put in it. When she wait to carry it up for the 5 pound. Raga
dirty chicken back.
Twice now, but me 3-piece of chicken back. The girl come back at me yard, Raga. She now beg me nothing again. When she have to pass through my yard to go a road, I have one next shortcut so she can walk. Raga, when she have a road to take the shortcut, she now walk through my yard again.
And how long ago this happened? How long ago this happened?
Around the second week of January.
What? So we are going to some good 3 to 4 weekends now, don't?
Yes, man. And every weekend, the woman she used to come on me yard, because Raga, everything she wants, she used to get it from.
And she don't stop coming your yard?
All of a sudden, Raga, she never walk past me yard. She no walk past me yard, Raga. She take
you know what? The chicken back guiltiness a killer, man. All nastiness. Oh, well on. A hot girl? When you go out, you a hot girl?
No, really, sir. A brown skin, though. A browning, you know, the type of a browning. And I really don't look good. Top girl still, but, you know, man called to her, so you don't know.
And she go on, so she a chicken back thief.
Chicken back, brother, 3-piece, you know? 3-piece.
Would even skim off for 1 piece and go and cool and things. She got with 3
Yeah,
piece.
she fool now, when she take out the 3-piece, you know, she tie back the bag, same place, up and top up there, so with the bag to tie. So the whole of the allowness, we shot the 3-piece come out.
The space, when the 3-piece.
Yeah.
And everybody knows, say.
Well,
and everybody knows, say, when you buy chicken back and them tight, them always tight right down upon the meat. Right down upon the meat.
We have to wrap it back, you know.
Yeah.
We kind of wrap the plastic bag and you tie right there so it there.
Dirty nasty chicken back thiefing, girl. Dirty nasty, girl. If you bring back the chicken back, them, you cannot thief chicken back. All wicked. And a thief it for your friend, too. Well, at which community? At which community? Linstead. In a Linstead, all right.
She well want to go back at the wholesale, you know. Oh, me never show you the girl, you know. Never show you the girl. Raga, I don't cut and I don't quarrel. But her conscience bites her, Raga. So she
no, man, God see her. When she go in when she prims up and one go in a Heaven's Gate, Master God go and say, before you can come in here, start out the 3-piece of chicken back. Yeah, all right. All right, take care. Yeah, man, take care. No, man, you cannot thief chicken back. I don't want them days up and all the people that are fired on the station was supposed to all are dead beers and people down at Jamaica. A thief 3-piece of chicken back for them friend. No, sir. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Talk up no.
Raga, who want to tell you, say, don't sit rat face biggie or cockroach body biggie. I like she tell from the girl, she don't know the girl from Adam's Raga, me and the girl are cousin. And I like the girl look not like what she said. She forgot wrap up in a black sheet and she's a walking dead.
Oh, so biggie thing she know the girl, I don't know she.
She don't know nobody. Only somebody she know the people that man when she take walk and talk or say him no want her the worst mistake. Him nobody no want dirty biggie for going to the gully.
No, but Biggie says she talk to the man and the man tell her who.
I like she tell Raga be like she call it she want tell. Like she tell she don't know nobody business. Everybody know fair business. Fair business up on blackboard. And billboard.
And billboard. What una call for Senti?
Yes, Raga, Senti where I call from.
Which part of Senti?
Middle quarters.
Middle quarters, okay. Around them side the slide there?
Right around the zone.
Okay, so what? So when I'm beginning to get along?
We don't like her. Nobody don't like her. Nobody has Senti.
Why?
Nobody at Watos. Nobody at Jerusalem. Nobody don't like her. It's a walking class. She for go tell.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. You sure na Waterhouse when I call from our Jews-land?
We not call from Waterhouse, Raga, but we know people all over the place. We know people from Waterhouse, too.
Okay. So now for the link
Yeah, we have
So
everything locked on her, Raga. I miss to tell you about her. She not ready yet. And to the big woman, what she ever talk about, Raga, I used to see her. You want to meet her. I know I wish big woman that. Big in a look nothing like her. The woman 22 years older than her, and she look like she had a 22 and big at the 40-year-old. You need
For
to
real?
meet big woman. Mm-hmm.
For real?
Raga,
Okay.
You need to meet that big woman then. Remember me tell you, that's something different.
So the big man come from Jews-land?
No, Raga, what was the big woman come from? I said the big woman, when she go on over, she take him a lie. And the woman put him out, Raga. Instant, as she hear say, as she in there with not another second or a minute. Instant, Raga. Instant.
Yo, tell me truth, man. Now what house you not call from? Tell me truth.
No, it don't make a difference for what house Jews and our St. Elizabeth. We are called from somewhere.
No, you know what I say where you call from.
At St. Elizabeth, we are called from. Tell Chief to call back. I will know are the worst mistake he make. That him say. Right now, I want to tell everybody I'm sorry. And the biggest mistake that he make in his life.
When him go start out with Biggie?
Raga, I never know doing thing with she. I idle thing. I bust out become here so somebody go to look woman. And I saw it bust out. So she got a beating stick. Remember me?
Where is every call Biggie call the show them beat her?
Them beat her. Every call she call. If worse is somebody with them here. And I've seen them business shabby come get them beat her. Then she don't tell about them beating. Then what she get? She black screws up. She's a walking boxing bag. She's a boxing bag. So them lick her, so them buff her, so them cook her, so them thump her down.
No, man, but Biggie said she have her family, her uncle and thing and whatever in her family, and so nobody can beat her because she can defend her thing and she have certain links set certain
way. Uncle will probably kill somebody if it gets serious. I like Uncle now look for she now nobody. Nobody now look for she. The only thing I look for her at the wall them at the sidewalk because she sit down on every day. That she look for. The sidewalk, but she sit down on while look for her back.
Then tell me something I know. Then alright, look load that part. Anyway, large up.
When me read that, you know, she called water about the girl in a fishnet in a next school and she got throw it down and see and she forgot wrap all the girl wrap up in a white cloth. She done wrap up a long time because black cloth blind she from 8 to 2 because she's a walking there. She did a long time. Only thing she needs to do, I go straight in the gutter go wash her because she's a walking there. A long time she did rock.
How old is Biggie?
Every year. Where's her?
No, you said the woman 22 years old and Biggie. How old is Biggie?
Biggie is 22. I go 22 somewhere around that age, yeah. She don't know your big friend, she don't know she how much Raga because she call you every day. You need to make sure your age paper. Make sure your age paper.
I'm married. All right, that's the word here.
Yes, Raga, and the first time call her time. Anytime I hear she call me, I call you back.
You call that? What's your name?
I'm not telling my name, but I'm just telling
you're not telling me your
name. And the first time I call her, anytime she call you back, I mean, it's been over, she does supposed to sort time out, me, I call you back. All right.
Well, it sounds like you really not like her, though.
Like, no, not even the toenail with it on her toe or even the false one with it on her fingernail, I like. I like no about her. Tell toilet bowl face because she forgot look her life and go hide. I want to flush her down my toilet.
Okay. Yes, all right, then blessings and respect. Here.
Same to you. Big up yourself every time.
Go so, bless you. Yo, give me one more call before cut. That's how it said.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings. Evening, Raga.
Whoa.
Listen, one of them there Monday. One man come on me yard break a start out.
Right.
Raga, a man phone ring. And you have your phone in your shirt pocket. When the man phone ring and the man take out the phone, a big old piece of blue pill drop out in front of me.
Tambourine! So wait, you know. So when the pill drop out, what happened?
He couldn't take a piece. He did it.
So,
Raga right now, big at it.
You still have a blue pill?
Yes.
All right, then since he never get to take the pill, him did start out.
But this time that he let where pill that give you don't go up there.
Okay.
He don't go up there.
So him did I miss the pill for real? So then I'm afraid to take it because it drop out in front of you.
It look like he doesn't say drop out. But he also know if he don't say the thing about it.
But him did I look feet? You didn't see my look feet or anything?
What did I know? You don't know Raga. But I'm big at it. Probably if he didn't look feet, he can't look feet in front of me.
You know, so when my time come to take the pill, me not itch any woman me there with or whatever, me I tell her straight, say, yo, and there's something there right now, you know, me have to bounce the pill now and then, you know. If she don't want to work with it, it's for her business. If she want done me and say this and that about me, I don't care. When my time come to take the pill, there's a room full of the pill me want. Now watch no face. Any woman me there, me I say, baby, when pill time come, work with it.
But he always a brag say no artist. He always a brag, you know, he say no, you know.
When they say, I saw them man, they set up themselves, them walk on and run up them mouth, but them as taller and them natural and this and that. If you know say so your things, you know, just go and build, nobody say nothing. Nobody say nothing. When you walk on and hype and tell life and whatever.
Anytime he come back, and he done it first round, I'll give me pill and tell him, say, come we go again.
We shot the second round.
Yes.
Cause you like more than you like more than one round, though.
Yes, Father.
Okay, so a big man. About what age? 60. You know, 60.
Mm-hmm.
About how old you? Boy, you're.
I'm 37.
You're 37, and I mean I'm 60s.
Mm-hmm.
And things. So, are them big man that you like, no?
Yes, Father.
Oh, you know, you're not dealing with nobody like your age or younger.
First time, but no.
No. Okay, what make you deal with them man that them age, you know?
Money.
Money, and them man that send on the money. Then, hey, me attack from now, you know. Me know say from me reaching my 60s, the pill time I go come out, you know. You understand? So if me and my sisters, me don't know why I would ashamed for you go tell a woman, say, yeah, me take the pill, what me ashamed for?
I don't know, but I told him feel like him big and he hype and, you know, and them big man, they don't want no pill.
Hey, you know what is funny? You know what is funny? Even though you have something, woman, whatever, you know, say, most woman, if a man humble himself and say, baby, you know, say, I have to take the pill for the... A woman rather a man be mature enough to say, yo, well, no woman not want a 20-year-old man to take pill in front of them in general. But me I say, a woman rather a man know say him secure enough in himself to say, yo, you know, so I want to make you happy, I want to satisfy you, and you don't know it, I have to take a look at most women me think we work with that and be understanding with it.
Yes, that's true. Me understand. But when he come now and I come one like say my language.
I show up and I hype and all them thing there. And then you go see the pill. They must laugh at 5. Them lucky me now look on them. When my pill time come, me I load it up.
Right now we got it.
When my pill time come, me I load it up. Load it up and make people say, yo, if you come dash out something, give me, try now you have to give me time to take the pill. But now look on people, I'm telling you. Anyway, blessings here.
Hold on, Raga.
You can't say that. Cut out that. You now listen to me, man. You can't say them. You can't say it that way.
Sorry.
But anyway, him give a good swipe till he hurt you, right?
No, Raga. He swipes until he bench on the veranda swell. He roll the thing I'm having let out for me.
All right, now give it swipes until the bench on the veranda. All right, leave that code there alone. We can't go no more than that. What you think you're easy? All right, don't worry yourself. Take care. Take care. What a piece of swipe she get it. Yo. What them people are talking about? Well, people are so it going on. I'm telling all the while. And thing on a spoil and I love the when they show them shot like every call and thing. That's how it going on. We used to it and thing, alright? Everything is everything. Next week we're gonna Bali mix up. Bali mix up next week. Any mix up involving somebody who a ball, man who a ball, woman who a cry. Any mix up them money thief or somebody left them or love or whatever. Bali mix up. Cry baby mix up next week. Cry baby Bali mix up. Crying mix up next week. Take care of yourself, people. Have a wonderful and safe weekend. And for now, plan figure over there anybody. Chop up and thank you so much, Road to the Q, to the producer, Jeremy and King and all of the tech up them. Glad to put myself Emily to the flipping where DJ Chris Cross, you're the boss. Them for Noah. Out the road, me say.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.